Abantu ama-blind bane-anger. Because manje azi sinakho ukuthi lezi inyoni ziyazi sithwembe yabo.
Kodwa manje akusibe.
Should be yazi into eyighost nabo bangekho thwembe.
Yeah.
Yonke into banayo bashoda ngomthwembe.
Yeah.
So bekafunda umthwembe.
Yeah.
Thina sinokuba blind sishode ngakho konke awuhloniphi awulaleli awutsheleki unthwembu nje. Cha animiyekeni ke bethwembu.
Uzodlaba wona ubuthwephu ba.
Awufuni nokuxoshwa. Yabona besana king ubuye exoshwe ngabababi. Wena sikhopha okuqala usuyasibamba. Correct Moja Captain Kevin Captain Office online ka Captain in the in podcast phakathi inside fethu Chesterville lo isilamalokisi ngiphethe ama out and yazi kuhlala kunama out la ngiguest kahle kahle njoba ngila nami but futhi nje ngibe no 7 ukuthi azini ngiyayibambela lempahla because uJito uzoshaya interview la uJito wangasekhaya Chesterville lo isilamalokisi ha story phethe ama crew kalani uzowabamba azointroduce ngoline wawa i story ngiqala lapha ne backyard before ngibuyele emajiteni noma ngiqale outing la ngiphethe uCelestial Mike but ngizomyeke introduce ngilokisi lami ikasi lami ngifeni yakhe by the way correct Moja Manika kambani
Correct njani? Khamba kanjani?
ngifresh kakhulu
Shaba fethu Celestial Mike, the mic in the hand of God igama uSmiso wase Chesterville. Yeah, kuphuma khona izinto nje.
fethu sihlangene kahle kahle phethe iblack ilokisi lamalokisi angiphela ukuthi alibamba lelo lokisi lighost kanjani line Pavilion Mall lapha phezulu
Bahlukanisa i-podcast awayibona into enjalo.
efethu sayinuka CPS so shoot sayiphezulu so khonja nayo oyishaka podcast elokishini oyishaka podcast elokishini bafethu
Sinayo bafethu iyadlula.
siyayidlulisa so negotiator lalela phethu Celestial Mike wangasekhaya eChesterville Celestial ngiyabatshela ukuthi sihlala ngase Pavilion Mall
Fethu samba ngenyawo mase yakho mesithanda.
2 step away
Sithanda, yeah.
simele wasemagent bin shaye wife
Mfethu uyabona?
la kune Westville prison
Ama-bank wonke
lalela
Noma
la
into
ngemuva
engidingayo.
sine Westville ema-suburb
mesiganga.
so utshontsha la eWestville uhanjiswe ngenyawo
Ekhaba.
uboshwe la eWestville prison
Khona nesibhedlela mawuthi udubulekile ngephutha.
nenkinga
Sila eduze.
and for 20 years ubuka kini kodwa ukwazi ukuya
lalela.
and we have dope people elokishini lami phethu ngiphethe amajida ngemuva sicela si-introduce ama-out phethu qala lapho Teddy le mafia kambani introduce
Tapi captain. Uyidlile intambo captain. Umasharat ngenyihle. But correct Moja captain.
awizoja correct Moja phethu sihamba ngolayini lapho abantu abafaka ulayini
Uyazi la ikhuleka captain. But ladies and gentlemen, uTeddy Wakanzama, also known as uTeddy We-Coffee.
Ayizo bafethu. Yazi lesithatha amajita sibuyile. Noma sebesiphezulelile nje into zethu mfethu umshini bawuthatha babuya ngakhona akubona. But it's fine bafethu ngoba nama out semajiteni velo. Andilo akangcobo esimahashula. Shulex mangabe se North. Niyazi lesithatha amajita sibuyile azikho insuku ejabulisa njengalezo ukuthi sihlale nani sixoxe sakhane bafethu. Yizo lezo.
Danko. Jack Kalala in the building, first of his name, second to none, king to the wise, wise to the king, and we are back. Danko.
Hey, check out who's in this thing, man. Yeah, it's me.
Webulishe fast, sesikanje sibuyile the Ins podcast. Imashile.
Phethe abafana basemkhumbayo.
Hayi khona emkhumba seChesterville.
Ayisemkhumbani.
Isemkhumbani
mfethu.
Isemkhumbani ngiyayazi leyo.
Hayi umkhumbane baba.
Welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Igama uKanyiso Nqomo, your co-host. Danke Majite, danke kumasesteri. Siyaphakamisa iflag laseChesterville. Bafethu lamajita waseChesterville ayemkhumbani. Emkhumbani ngikwazi kahle. Danke Majite.
but Chesterville ilokishi elitswembu fethu elisenkrani
Kodwa hayi emkhumbani.
yazi besixoxa nganje basiza la manje
Sure.
ukuthi phethu yonke indawo iseduze kuthina ukuya eMlazi kuseduze ukuya kaMashu kuseduze silokishi elisesenta phethu and si-under umkhumbani Chesterville under umkhumbani
Umfula lo hamba lapha ngasekhaya igama lawo umkhumbani.
umkhumbani
So uma ucrossa lo mgaqo omkhulu uza ngala ngaseThekwini College ikuphi?
isemkhumbane yonke le
Umkhumbane yonke.
Siyase kuba connected.
siyakuphelezisa
Umkhumbane wonke.
funda
Umkhumbane une Chesterville, une Mayville, unoMaster. Imeviki ke.
but isi-under umkhumbane so incwadi yeposi ukuthi phela ikhona-ke imizi engasayireceive incwadi ngoba mhlawumbe uthi ivati lavalwa kodwa liyatholakala madala side awuyazi obhatla selokishini mobone nazo igqoka usiyasebenza kanjani ushawe into yakho usothi usiyasebenza esikhombo uyasho ukuthi ile nazo le kanti ayishayela isibani mone ebhayibheli ungaze uyichoke ngokuthi uclip uyibone after 2 days ithi awuyena azoyisebenzi bafethu ngiphethe uSimiso kwi-podcast namhlanje in fact siphathene because besifikile nje la saphike sayinsara nje obeshile abafethu so Simiso awubanike because mina ngikwazi ngoSimiso ngikhule nawe ngikhulele lokishini in fact uyihrotman mina because sikhule sibuka kunini uyangazi ngisayinika blind ngangayibhala nami itrack ngasha ngayibhala ngiyekutshela so babes inspiration because ibona basitshengisa nokuthi asikho isidingo sokurap uma ukuthi uwork yabo because ngabamba nami ngibhala ukuthi ayikho into eyibhala la ay kangambiwa imoto ekhaya so phethu mina ever since ngakwazi from Brio high school abantu ofunde nabo primary we hip hop mpethu inspiration isukaphi sisuke kaselodwa and yabo ngiyabona ususazi isingisi wena phela ufunda ubreathing uthe intwana phethu abuthi nje unowitry isingisi sidlalele ground but uinspire hip hop but isukaphi shandisi
Yeah, I think kumina mfethu kahlahle yafika nomalume yabo. I think kwakumalume Sipho nomalume Musa nje yabo nje. Amaraza amadala sekhaya. Kahle ubona bebeyithandela music yabo. So bebedlala yonke into. So yeah, so kulo music ababeyodlala mina wangigamela ilo hip hop. Wona engawuncanya nje mfethu.
wayinkantini lo malume edlala hip hop
Abakantina bonke omalume ekhaya nje sikhule ngaye egcikeni nje bethu okude beyinkantinela.
so usayintwana nje
Yeah, ngisayintwana,
kanjalo so manje nayi into ke njengoba ukhulu uyithathe lapha hip hop waba ne-inspiration lapho wenza yonke into ye hip hop lokho kunye ufundephi because mina ngikwazi ukudlala i-skateboard
Sure.
ngikwazi ukudlala i-basketball
Yeah.
ngikwazi ukrampa like yonke i-hip hop nje kahle all in all
I think bona umusic yabo wona waqala leyo because mangabe ulalela i-rap dog yami like for example i-sports nje mfethu mengilalela i-hip hop isikhathi nganginokuzwa ngabantu engingabazi yabo uzwa ngo-MJ uzwa ngobani usayintwana uzwa nge-basketball and all that stuff so uyaqala ube curious kanjalo yinde yabo the skaters there's all this culture plus uma usuqala uya kuma-show i-hip hop uhlangana nazo zonke lezi zinto wonke umuntu olaphana khona abaskatayo khona abadlala i-basketball khona abenzani so nami ngafika khona ngathola ukuthi akuze ngiyakwazi ukuzenza lezi zinto lezi mengithi ngiyazama kumane kwenzeke ngabona ukuthi hayi akushuthi nje the whole culture was
yazi
something
sifisa ukuthi indlela osho ngami ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuzenza lezi zinto umuntu ongakwazi umuntu ongakwazi uzocabanga mhlawumbe umuntu ozamayo yabo mina ama-outs mhlawumbe animazi uSylvester Mike angisho ukuthini ngokwami ayi bafethu nayidubane mfethu hip hop wise lyrically kwi-mic or whatever uyanquma kwi-tramping mfethu wayighosting eyishandisi lezi wayighostisa sibabamba inkunzi phela lokishini sothi siyababona bayakuhamba nasibangene kanjena sizobahlukanisa yabo kanti nje kulezo yishandisi wayenswembu phethu i-cramp i-basketball i-skateboard kushuthi kahle tihlangene ne-hip hop passionate la
I think also nje mfethu mina I think ngumuntu obsesayo ngento yabo so mengiyenza ngiyathanda ukuthi ngenzisise kanjaya njengaleya ngoma student ngenzisise
sure
ingakho ngayibhalana
yabo mina ungayishaya into yebo ungazama ama-drugs ngoba
yeah kube ngishaye unga ngabe ngiyi-best para ever emhlabeni ngabe ngiyiphara ngabe ngaziwa phesheya ukuthi akusekhona elinye iphara lapha eSouth Africa ethi uSimiso ngiyakutshela lingena noma ikephi yabo so I think that helped me ukuthi ngikwazi ukufunda ezinye izinto fast because makuthiwa nje like ayi basketball sathi sifika sahlangana no coach uMadoda wasifica nje sidlala esingazi lutho yabo wangibona ngishutha wabona ukuthi ekusele intwana le ibhola yakho umulishutha liyaphezulu ngingazi na ukuthi mina yini le wathi indlela yokushutha vele kanti so wangiqala lapho wangikhumbisa hayi umshutha fanele linyuke ibhola mase liyehla lingayi straight kanje yabo kube ne
usawangabantswembu kanti kwi-basketball mina ngikwazi usuntswembu phela
Yeah, I suspect dog. uClifton yabo Kenneth, uClifton mfethu babeyidalela kuthi because thina safica bona bedlala. Bhuti wakho omdala uOli vele ubeyinika nje. Inika lakudala amanika esifike kuona no Mike G and all those guys. Safika uKenneth edlala nabo ezathi siyafika sodlala nathi besijikana mfethu besijika kwayisa ngathi kodwa safunda kubona nabo and then after a while sizidlala nabo siyabajika nathi siyacompete yabo nje leyo nto leyo but it's all about ukuyidedicate uma uthi uyayenza into wenzisisa ungayinikeza uhafu yabo ungananazi
so mina le question ngizokubuza yona ukuthi ngiyayazi ngoba nami ngisaye ngaba yinika ngiyazi bafethu lalela ugcwala
Qaqala.
ngiyakutshela mina
Usayinika la manje.
ngigqoka iJordan
Awusayinika la manje ukuthi nje yabo
uyangibona phela ngiyi-hip hop esibuyele emgqini so nami ngiyipantula pantofu khona inika laselokishini olibambayo ukuthi lo uyinika kodwa akazazi ingoma zesingisi but yabo
kwaito kahle.
ambamba ukuthi uyinika kodwa akazizwa lezi ngoma but uyayincanya yabo so mfethu ukukhulela okushini uyi-hip hop ngaleya ndlela at least mina nami bengincane i-hip hop uyazi namanje ngisayincane but bengiyinika eliyihansi yabo
Sure.
sothi mhlawumbe inika elidlala iy'nqola yabo inika elinganawo amateki amanika ngishaya ophatha ngihamba namahuzu futhi amajita amaziyo ukuthi ngiyinika yonke lento wena phezu ngoba wawuyinika ever
there,
since
yeah.
hip hop
Yeah.
and asikaze sikuhlaphe lokushini kube nendlela okungazi ukuthi mhlawumbe sikunika yabo leyo nto engazi ukuthi manje uya-outcasteka ukunika
No.
bekunjani ukukhulela okushini futhi uyinika nje usayintwana-ke
Hey, yeah. It's a very interesting question. Yabo bethu I think manje sekungconywana yabo. Iy'ntwana manje ziningi amanika amaningi manje vele even iy'ntwana ekhulayo yabo nje thina kumina I mean sasincane hip hop sonke yabo cause sonke sasikhuluma ngayo sihlangane lapha egroundini sikhulume nge-hip hop kodwa khona laba kuthina abayiyona noma ungibona ngihamba emgaqweni yasho ukuthi yinika ke lelana but abantu abazange azange mangidiscriminate ngaleyo nto because nami bewumjito waselokishini vele yabo as much as bengiqwa ngendlela engiqwa ngayo yabo ngithanda lezi zinto engiyithandayo kodwa mesikhulume zama-out yazi ukuthi out lo yabo and also I think obviously bikhona leyo nto ukuthi laba bazokusaphaza sometimes kodwa vele nami yabo bengayona inyoni nami ngizokusaphaza back yabo leyo so yeah so I think leyo nto yenze kube lula nami ukuthi I mean my skin was thick kuyaxotshana futhi elokishini bethu esikoleni nina nowele kwaxotshana njalo lapha yabo thina sasibuye sime ngale kude khona ngene sibone yabo manje asifuna ukuthola amathaphaza unaso sothi kunawo one yabo ngambuka uNdlebe kasho yabo uNdlebe ngomshango one nginawo kodwa manje emva kwalo one uzobuya lo mjita lokebuyila lokebuyila so besiyimele phumba nje fethu abo I remember the one time song I think the whole school was happy uwele khathe shayela lapha kwipholi kanjalo ewa lapha court because wonke umuntu kade efuna ukuhleka uweleni
and manje vele uhlezi ehlekisa kabi
so this one time he fell yabo I think he was chasing his friend ebhekele wathi uyaphenduka khona ipholi emshaya isiphongo waphansi excess ahleke ngathi angazi isikole sonke mfethu sahleka nje sihlekela ukuthi nje mekwangithola imhlekile but
kulana yasibadla leya
you know so I think growing up like that dog made it easy for me besicobana yes bikhona leyo nto kodwa futhi ezingikhula abantu babe ne respect leyo nto leyo ukuthi akusele umjita kadwa manje
standard vele
people respect that more now than they did before
lokho ukuthi na ever since lo mjita smart
akaza shintsha
so fethu music fethu uqale uyinto oyenza nje fethu as a hobby noma ubuwazi okay uyispani noma ubuwenza
bengazanti span bekuyi-hobby nje fethu i-rap ibimnandi bengithanda ama-beats nami bengithanda ukuthi yabo uma uyihlalela uyilalela there's always words in my head so thatha lento la ekhanda ngiyayibhala ngayikhipha and then I think as I grew up yabo mina ngisase high school ngangiyitshela ukuthi ngizohamba ngesigele ngifunde ngisebenze then mase nginga-40 mase ngiya-retire mase ngiya-rap
lento ayicabanga usayintwana kampela
like this was me in high school I thought and as I grew up I realized people think there's an age where kufanele uyeke ukurapha kanjalo but mina ayengekho leyo ngangazi ukuthi mina nje uyarapha nje mfethu so ngangazi ukuthi mase ngina-40 ngizobe sengiyeka ukusebenza sengenze yonke imali yami bese ngiyayiraphela I didn't even know you can make money of it or khona into kanjalo ngangiyithandela ukurapha
plus osayintwana wawungazi ukuthi mase una-40 uzobe usuyithabe phela mase una-40 ubabi
exactly yabo
baba uqala ukurapha yazi Freud ukudiscourage babambe yini
yabo ya
so ukuba nswempu because mina but being honest angisho ukuthi unswempu ngoba wangasekhaya mhlawumbe futhi ungayikhulumela wena because mina nginamavidiyo akho on my social medias enginokwaphost uthothi ngiyayivayibhela with your checks uthwempu futhi lestamike mongakazi umuzwa ngazi waqala nokubamba ukuthi ekuseni ngiyashisa because ikhona leyo shali kufana namashini itsheli yakwazi ukuyibona ukuthi khona hayi mina ngisiqubu ukuthi angifuni ukujampisa kodwa iyakufila lokho yabo iyazi ukuthi okay njengoba sesitolo uzoqhwetshwa mina uzoqhwetshwa mina
sure
yabo mekuqhwetshwa umngane wayo uyaphenduka nayo ithuka ukuthi abaqhobile mina namhlanje wena wabona nini ukuthi hayi uyanquma uyi-ghost kwi-hip hop
kwenza kabili ikhathi okuqala ngaqala yabo ngiyakwazi nje ukurapha nje yabo I think that was kwakuyise high school lapho We used to do ama-cypher nani. Ngangibhelisho lo, ngangibaqanda.
Ngiyakhumbula
Yabo.
blind.
So that was the first time. And then emva kwalokho ngabe nga-understand ukuthi ukurapha ngiyakwazi kodwa ukushaya ingoma ngikwazi. I think the time I figured out how to make an actual nice song was 2014. This was something then I'd been rapping for a couple of years then. So it took me a while from learning how to rap properly to learning how to make ingoma. Ingoma engadlala great nje. yabo.
No, ngiyak-understand ngoba
Enjoy.
ngilalela hip-hop because
Exactly.
majority of my underground rappers or ama-battle cats awekho nswempu when it's come to
Ingoma.
ingoma.
Yeah.
Yabo,
Ama-raps antswempu.
unokubuka
kodwa-
i-freestyle mhlawumbe whatever ya-loaded lux
Sure.
ghost mhlawumbe rated ngisho ku-YouTube mhlawumbe
No,
noma
yeah.
kwi-Funk Flex
Yeah,
mhlawumbe
millions of views, all of that
it's
stuff.
the best track mhlawumbe it's the best freestyle onyakeni
Sure.
but masuzwa i-track you find ukuthi hey lo muntu akakwazi akekho nswempu
Yeah. Sometimes there's a disconnect.
kunomehluko because abantu babe be-confused ukuthi la manje arepha kakhulu kanti le
But
rap
I-
repha kakhulu ayidayisi kakhulu
Yeah,
Idayisa
but
kwama-shows
yeah, but I think there's nothing wrong with the rapper cool. I think it's just if you need to know how to make a song with it, because you can't tell me Kendrick Lamar rapper and he's making money, he's making a lot of J Cole rapper cool or Jay-Z bonga ba rapper cool.
cha phela kuyona into umhlaba wonke lento othi repha kakhulu uma uthi uyayinothisa
Even here.
yamazulu cha yamazulu
Yeah.
ayikho i-country ethi ubani urepha kakhulu
No, pheshe bayishaya dog.
cha yakhona ama-rapper a-rated ukuthi
Which
arepha
yeah, they
kakhulu.
rap a
Basesho
lot,
ukuthi,
but
ngeke nje mfethu thina sithi urepha kakhulu bese sithi siningi kahle
oh yeah.
ayisikize singakhona iculo olizwayo ukuthi awusiyakwazi ukulicula nathi yabo
Sure. I think
the simple nani
Yeah.
and majority of people because amaculo kumele bemnandi nge-hip hop ngokwami akulona iculo akumele uzobe inswempu nge-hip hop kumele liba iculo elizoba catchy kubantu abantu bekwazi
yeah.
ukugela along nalo mhlawumbe wena njenge-rapper khona la usake wayimunca khona uthi kulo mthwempu engibishoyo ukuthi unswempu ngokurapper
Sure.
and we better
But you
catch
can make the
usakwayitshela
song
ukuthi awuthi ngehlisa ubuthwempu
kube relatable nje.
ukuthi mina khona ama-tracks akho ngikwaziyo
Sure.
and lenginakho ukuthi wayebayeka la yabo so ngokwakhona wawenza lokho noma ufuna ukuba urelate ne-commercial music washini
I mean, definitely, I guess for some songs, kukanjalo, but it depends on ingoma, yabo. Enye ingoma, khona ingoma engizenzela ukuthi mhlambe zisho something, leyo ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngithambise. Because fanele lento engifuna ukuyisho fanele yabo izwakale and stuff. Kodwa kufanele still ngenze ngendlela where izoba ingoma emnandi, yabo.
kwazi kwamnandi eThekwini
Exactly. But ezinye nje ngifuna ukuthi kube ingoma emnandi, there's nothing deep about it, angifuni ukuthi abantu bacabange noma so nje ihook izoba easy. Mhlawumbe iyayiphindela ihook lento eshiwo iyaphinda and then even ama-verse akhona alula nje they easy to follow and stuff like that, but also ukuba nswempu ngokurapha kuyakusiza ukuthi uyenze leyo nto ibe mnandi.
yenzeka kalula
Yeah, yenzeka kalula because ungaba ne-hook catch kodwa ama-verse ayabheda yabo. Kanti uma ukwazi ukurap uzowenza ne-hook catch kodwa ama-verse nawo futhi azoba nezinto ezokwenza ukuthi
ukwazi ukuba nesisindo
exactly ibe nesinto even if ilula kodwa yabo uma uyazi irap uzolalela ukuthi ekuse kodwa uzwile leya line. Nomuntu ongayazi i-punchline uyawuthanda lo line enga-understand ukuthi kuthiwani. Nalo yazi i-punchline uya-understand ukuthi kuthiwani nami. So yeah.
so i-hip hop la i-KZN bethi ngokwakhe as a rapper ama-challenges ayo or mhlampe like ubunzima bayo as a rapper uyazi ukuthi fethu ama-event awafani bethi khona umaskandi khona ini khona i-crowd onokuyibona usho ukuthi ekuse le crowd yamaskandi mayazi ngithola i-crowd engaka phela noma ngeke uzugibele yona ngoba uzoba nenkinga
Yeah.
kodwa like ama-challenges niba nawo as ama-rapper kanjani
Yo, I mean, I think akabili mfethu khona aqhamuka esayidini lethu khona aqhamuka from ama-external forces yabo. From esayidini lethu it could be a lot of things. Abanye abakwazi ukupromota, abanye bakwazi ukupromota kodwa like there's a lot of things ama-rollout indlela oyikhipha ngayo i-album mhlawumbe awuyikhiphi ngendlela e-right noma upromote i-event awazi uzoyipromota kanjani. Sometimes ubungazi dog yami. Khona uzopromota ngendlela ethizeni last event ibe successful uthi wenza same thing for the next event doesn't reach the same people. So I think there's that. And then there's also this thing of indlela esiwuconsume ngayo music isiyashintsha yabo. Ngakhumbula kudala ukuthi bekhona lamajita la eswazi ukuthi amufuna ingoma uya kusibanibani singakabi ne-internet ne and lawo majita bene pride ukuthi ekuse mina ngino music exclusive and then as soon as sonke saba ne-access ye-internet sakwazi ukuthola music yaphela leyo. Nobody has pride for exclusive music anymore. Instead sonke sifuna le ngoma edumile nginayo nami yabo. We want to be part of the trend, whereas kudala niggas wanted to be the guy that set the trend. yabo mina ngizothola ukuthi by artist
ukuthi
entswe
unika ubani.
yeah so into kanjalo ayisekho manje and hip hop thrives on that because hip hop has a lot of hidden gems. So people unearth them back then like Immortal Technique akasayinwanga umuntu leya muntu kodwa siyamazi I'm sure a lot of people in this room know him.
Bayamazi.
Samazi internet isingenayo abaningi bethu wafika ngama bluetooth but because there were dudes who wanted to find what's dope out there bahambe bewesesha bayithole manje ayisekho then manje we comfortable sitting at home to like say iphi ngoma edumile uze na ubuza uthi iphi ngoma etrendayo uhambe uyobheka le ngoma etrendayo khona uzodlala le ngoma etrendayo yeah
Nganginayo i-13 with the devil ingakasazi isindebele. Ingasizwe.
dog everybody had that nigga song.
Ekangiphila ngale beat ngangasazi ukuthi
Even le ngoma yamarazi bengazi ukuthi ngenze indlala ingimele akho umuntu ongayazi leya ngoma leya
exactly yeah
kodwa azange siyithole ku Spotify azange siyithole kuphi but back then as abantu we still had that thing of going to search ngiyathanda ukuhamba ngiyothola izinto kanjalo yabo lento ama-connoisseur ayisekho leyo nto le people don't want to be that no more taste setters manje it's just who was trending and everybody's going to be talking about that one person who was trending and everybody's just focused on that thing and then everybody's going to complain about the state of music music usuyabheda manje but as if no one is making good music anymore
kanti focus isendaweni
wena ongawutholi umusic untswempu mningi it's all over you don't look for it you don't find it so you complain about the state of music because you keep pushing lo music ongawuthandi like people like push amakuthiwa uposte ivideo yomjito work ehlekisayo work ngale nje uthi yahlekisa
trend
izotrenda yes
iyadina leyo
kodwa mina ngasherisha ivideo yomjito ontswempu ngale nje ongakazi uyizwe so comment ekuthiwa untswempu lo mjito but it's not going to trend like the work one.
la eSouth Africa
So I think that's the challenge we
abayifundi
face.
lentwembu kakhulu
Mhlawumbe no
abancwe nje la uthola isister edidayisayo mhlawumbe iproduct ethize bengayinaki vele kuqhamuka ungcami kuthiwa sihlanya ngoncami
That's facts.
sihlanya ngoncami mfethu
That's facts.
ebetabu yasho ukuthi base ngithole le followership ungcami akazi nokuthi unama followers akayingena akala social media yabo nje so friends in terms of we promote as an artist lala edubane because mfethu kokunye enzima nami ngi-artist njengoba ngikhuluma nawe so okunye ngiyakwazi mfethu ubunzima bawo nokuhlangana nabantu bekuthembisa izinto bekubalekele yabo
Expert. I can write a book, dog. Ngakubhalela ibook. Lalela uthi uyafika eklabhini uperforme kanjalo ekubona i-celebrity thizeni yabo ngeke uwasha amagama wamanje waphela. Kodwa nje yakubona umjita athi kusentwempu leshandiseni mafethu give me your number dog. We're going to talk dog when I come back from Joburg, you know what I mean? We're going to talk. You see that nigga a month later in another show akasakukhumbula nanokuthi uba. Hey bro, mamba kanjani? Sure.
ekushaka omunye umzimba uqale ukuthi ube nokuthi hayi mhlawumbe kuyena lo mfethu
Uzuyi-1000. Ngakhuluma naye. Mhlawumbe ayifana naye.
ubuza ama-out ekusela umjito unalo iwele noma nobhuti kuthiwa uyena lo mfethu
Angazi but I mean I get it. Sometimes dog I mean if ubusy mfethu ukuthi mina angithandi ukublame abanye abantu abakakhulu.
exactly
Fana lento uthole bathi lo bavalela ngithanda ukubheka leyo nto ukuthi obani
kodwa khona
abakuvalelayo.
lona ufila khona ukuthi hayi la ngathi ngivaleliwe noma phela ukuze uchapisa
Yeah, kodwa nje mfethu so sometimes ngiyazama umcabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe lo mjida nje wahlangana nami that night mhlawumbe bethu wahamba nethekene ethizeni wayidakelwa wajabula wakhohlwa yimina yabo wahamba egoli musu uthola izimali zakhe egoli dog yazo ucabanga lo mjida osethubani wambona naSmart
nanokuthi phethu khona phethu umuntu okhuluma ngoku-admire i-moment yangaleso sikhathi
Yeah.
phethu uthola kufana nokuthatha inamba yecherry ekuchaze lapho
sure
yabo uthothi awusayi WhatsApp yena ihlangane nawe ithi awuyi-WhatsAppanga
fair
kanti okuchazeke ngaleso sikhathi nawe igcinekele so same applies with i-art so wena nje-artist awukazi ube nakho mhlampe khona ama-rapper nokuthi eyimase ngejosi ngiyishubisa noma mhlampe uyileyo believer ukuthi hayi mina ngizopopela la eThekwini and ngiyazi ukuthi ama-breakthroughs akho amaningi ala isithawu yabo phambi kwethu wenza izinto been seeing you in different places ama-interviews lana la ngiyancanya because ngiyilokishi mhlawumbe umuntu angakubamba ukuthi okay because mina ngiyi-fan honest
so
I am a
fan.
fan so kulula ukubona ukuthi awe uSmith ulapha ekuse uSmith ulapha ngiyancanya plus uyindabuko so awukazi ube naleshandise ukuthi ngicabanga ngeJozi mhlawumbe ngiyophandela khona mhlawumbe la edubani izinto ibuye ihambe kancane amashow askasi yonke leyo nto yabo
yeah. I mean, I went to Joburg for a while. Ngiyanje mfethu every now and then, but is to be based there that ile nto engayifuni. I think wonke umuntu uyabaleka la yabo. So I don't mind going up to Joburg, getting what I get from Joburg, but it's important for me to come back and try to make something happen here at Seguin. But not just for Celestial Mike kuphela. Yabo baningi abantu abantswempu la dog. Mfana ngabe Theku fethu is leading South Africa in terms of entertainment and
into esishayayo mfethu hip hop inswempu and wonke ama-rapper answempu ngisho eJozi
yes, awala.
so yini esishayayo kahle kahle la eDubane ngokubuka kwakho wena?
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna disconnect between abantu abawenzayo umculo nabantu abaconsumayo la somehow cause yabo abantu abaningi bayabazi abantu bethu. All of us webazi by the time umjida esuke esegoli basuke bemazi vele, but they're not gonna talk about them that much until they start being talked about by the media in Joburg, yeah. And then it's cool. I don't know. I think angazi noma lento ukuthi
Awuyicabangi
ukhuluma
ukuthi-
ngento edumile mhlawumbe.
Awuyicabangi nesanje sokuthi ama-hip hop fans amaningi la eDubane we fall in love kakhulu ne-hip hop sigcine sesifuna ukurapper song because now
Yes, that's also
wonke umuntu uyarapper
that's
mfethu.
also a big problem.
Yabo mina bendle ngiyathanda ka-hip hop ngabona ngibhala line oqathi ngizwe imosha-ke le industry le ngahlehla nje zibekwa so awunayo leyo nto ukuthi
Ikhona fam.
because usumncane usibani next year usuyitshe Thunswempu kunaye the following year usufuna ukumdisa kwi-track yakho but uyena okade ubukela kuyena and stuff so
Ngize ngiyibuze ukuthi yini nge-hip hop fethenza ukuthi kube njalo because dog amajana amaningi angiyiboni leyo nto noma mhlawumbe ngoba ngikho involved mhlawumbe kona kodwa amajita ancane igoma amaningi ayincanela ukulalela nje igoma fethu yabo be a part of the culture whatever kodwa kwi-hip hop abantu abaningi meke bayincanya uzoqala rap at some point. Even people who stopped like njengoba nawo wazama like angazi something about it.
bese angizamanga ngalibeka ipeni ngabonsi nje le nto
Kodwa the fact that le thought yokuthi othi nami ngizama ukuyenza lento yafika. I don't know what it is.
mina ngangihlonyiswa amajita into engiyibukayo kwayikona
Mhlawumbe naleyo nto, yeah.
ukubona into omoya wathi awuyazi nganginako ukuthi yes siyafika estudio labo 17 la if laba manika kakhulu nami nginika ukuthi phela nginika eliyihansi othi nginika linesihlilingi yabo sangathi simile kushawa ama-boombox la ngishaya ijuba fast manje so sesiya studio bese angifuna ukugoqa nganginako ukuthi ayingeke lento engiyoyenza la angiyifili yabo so ngakwazi ukuyikhuza
I think yazi lenye inkinga asabhuwana. Yabo stage lento ukuthi umuntu umbhuwe nje umkhiphe stage mebet ayisekho leyo nto.
nesimpathy but yile nto
Yeah, so kodwa phela yazi the sympathy comes from the fact that abantu abaningi abakwi-audience kwi-hip hop show bayarappa nabangithi so abafuni ukuthi mese bese stage nibajudge as harshly as they judge you. Ufuna ukuthi mengakubhuka mese ngikela nami stage nami ngase ngibhuka so we must all be nice so that everyone can get a chance and everyone can
and ifethazi
shine.
hip hop phela esekhezeleni ngampela mfethu ukuthi iyagcwala ama-hip hop show
Idinga
agcwaliswa
gatekeeping.
ama-rapper cabanga
We need gatekeeping
ngizokukhola
back.
ukuthi wonke umuntu olapho 99% uyi-rapper mfethu
Yeah.
ucathi ubani ifenda kanti mfethu njengoba urap uyancane into ufuna ukudwadla manje ukuthi meyiphuma lo uzobona uzogqilazana and I'm sure mhlawumbe nathi i-comedy kabe sinaleyo nkinga it's just that i-comedy kumele urespond
Yes.
Thina kuyafidana.
Yes.
Ngizosho nginilinde nihleke mase ngiyasho. yabo.
Yabona kwi-hip hop ikhona leyo feedback ne kodwa bayakwazi ukuyiziba abantu.
I-podcast yethu phela ya senikhohliweni correct Celeste bro ngiyabona sakumashana zakhulekani vele Chesterville ayinankinga but semajiteni la go worry so you also have a question you know
Showcase.
mina bro I've known you for more than 10 years dog
Swakuthi
and we from Bible college
lalela
just on the TikTok look
ukhiphe ezinye imfihlo manje.
sure dog play too thanks for coming to my scene bro
Oh, well.
and just to bamba le lokuzan continue with the conversation right now about hip hop like say when you look at how you've explained about my art asuka I Dubai I mean I Goli yabo so ngokubuka kwakho wena bro right now states of hip hop in South Africa as a whole what you think is missing right now
Yeah. Ish, I don't know, bro. If I could say, okay, I think the first thing that I'm seeing, yeah, there's a lot of divide between old and new. Yabo? Khona leyo debate enokwenzeka nje sikhale unga-understand ukuthi coming up. When hip hop thrives more when kuhlangana yabo. Kuba naleyo bridge. Not everybody, but the fact that lamajita ade khona ekwazi ukuthi accommodate lamajita afikayo even if into abayenzayo ungayi-understand or whatever. but nalamajita afikayo akwazi ukuhlonipha lamajita adekhona yabo, because I think that's where it happens. Like the new kids don't respect the OGs. The OGs also don't respect the new kids. It's like there's just that happening. And kwamanye amajana, they understand business first. I think with hip hop sometimes we try to be friends too much instead of yabo nje kumapiano fethu bayisebenza kushawa ingoma kufika abantu abawu7 estudio kushawa ingoma miphumile yaphushwa yaba hits. For them that matters. In hip hop sometimes we have too many personal beefs. Angifuna ukushaya ingoma noMelusi ngoba manje uMelusi wathini and stuff. So I think there's a lot of petty things ezenzakalayo kwi hip hop ezenza ukuthi ezisibambezelayo. But enye into nje I think it's just angazi, there's an intangible thing ekufanele siyifigure out. I don't know if anybody has figured it out or whatever, but also ne-landscape ishintshile. I-trend nje iyashintsha. So mesifocus kwi-trend njalo so limala. Fanele sifocus kulabantu esinabo vele who support what we do, still nabo. I-trend imishiya siqhubeke nalabantu esinabo, singayinaki i-trend izobuya ihlezi ibuya. Yabo. So I think sometimes we focus too much on, hey, we're the most popular or we're not the most popular. Trends always change.
Just to add, I have two questions for Mina and Celestia. One is a follow up from Leah Tishu Shepard. Okay, for someone, I mean, I've always said this to guys because I'm also a bit more, not a bit, I'm more involved with Tamachita money into music, but I hip hop, yabo.
Sure.
So my thing with Tamachita, I've always said this: if it's your time, it's your time.
Fair.
Yeah, bro. Remember the time when you wanted an opportunity and Bekoni OG and the OG wasn't willing to listen to you.
Sure.
Yeah, bro. And isikhathi OG sashaya mase sengena when OG sifuna ukulalela ukuthi wena uyizwe. So they are not in a business
Sure.
of reviving careers.
Sure.
You're in your own journey where you want to make things for yourself happen, and if opportunity it's you need to mize whoever. I don't feel like it's disrespect. It's a thing of it's my time. You had your time, now it's my time. When you had your time, you wasn't willing to listen to whatever I was going to say because now I'm out of cuts. I was trying to knock, and you guys were not opening doors.
Sure.
You get it? So
Definitely.
I think it's that sometimes. Mina ngabenzela excuse ngalo because I've given them ama advice kanjalo ukuthi iBrazil ungadlali iBrazil ithi hayi ngoba naku ya hita ngo2015 nobani bani isicabanga ukuthi naye izofika kodwa ekazi kunikeza isikhathi sakho manje yabo si own and usiphile mewuthi iBrazil ngoba izokubuyisela emuva awuzile uzo revive my career bro. So I think that's one. And then the second one is there's a time last week I saw this other clip and it triggered me on TikTok. Yale ntombazane le bekhuluma ngama talent eThekwini. About there's so many of them, but then she was talking about more of giving opportunities because you've got an opportunity before. Mhlawumbe ungaba ne-idea ukuthi le nto idalwa yini yabo uthi lo sisi mfethu yazi baningi abantu eThekwini, but then sibona abantu ababodwa, same faces, same music, abantu abanikezwa ngani chance. What do you think is the cause for that? Is it because abantu they're not visible enough, or mhlambe it's really because khona abantu abavalayo? What do you think happens behind the scenes entweni kanja?
Sure. Yeah, I think that's a mixture of things, dog. Definitely visibility account lapho. As umuntu owenzile nama event fethu awami yabo. There's been times where ngizothola ama message nama DM from abantu engabazi azongitshela ngeartist ebengalazi yabo. If ngayenza leyo event mhlambe lelo artist ngazwanga ngalo ngalifakanga bekuzothiwa ngiyamvalela yabo ngoba manje angimazi. So I think for abanye abantu it's just that visibility fanele ubuye na uphume kodwa I definitely there are people that control stage sabo fethu, but I'm not angry at that. If I create a platform yami so I'll control however it works. That's up to me. Fanele ngiprotect i-platform yami. Whatever goes on my platform I need to approve of it, and it needs to be something that I believe in. You know what I mean? So ngiyayithola leyo party le ngangikwazi ukugxeka abantu kakhulu ukuthi laba babhuka labantu laba, they tried them and tested them. Bayazi ukuthi ama results bayawathola ngalawo bantu. They don't want to risk abanye abantu. Yabo, there's all those factors. People never look at that. We always look at give opportunities to new people. But sometimes people try that and it doesn't work. We're not selling a loss. If I made a show ngafaka abantu abasha bodwa and then mase abantu don't show up to my show, I take the loss. Nobody's gonna say anything about it. The people who said put new people abangeke bafike nabo ngeke basho lutho bazobe behlalele nje emakhaya yabo because people say that online but they don't buy tickets.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Because sometimes it's like they affect some agita because they end up thinking I'm basing this ngawo now if it's uyitholi uspanile yabo and I've never heard you complain yabo njengoba usho manje futhi awuthanda ukubeka inkinga zakho kubantu ngisho athi umuntu bekuthembisile uyasho uthi mhlawumbe sekhohliwe amenzele exception yabo because thina i-platform yethu futhi ikhuluma kakhulu nama-outs ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi noma abantu abasemakhaya bro no one is coming to save you
Akekho.
yabo
mfethu,
uShepherd hleze esho leyo nto. No one is coming to save you. You're on your own. So if you feel ngazi ukuthi kunomuntu somewhere in town owisha something so that you can make it, then usasendaweni wrong.
awusenje.
Yabo, I think more than anything, I've always preached this thing. It's all about position. Sometimes, in most cases, position yourself in a way. I'm benefiting something from this. It might not be financial, but just put yourself in spaces. Yabo. So yeah, I know.
Futhi we13.
I know. Ngiyakuqhubeka ma sisan enjoy unlalela.
Nje sebekuthula isihlalo
nakhuluma isingisi sengiyinkantineni
isibazoyithambe na.
inini nginkantinini sisingisi uShepherd isuse ngesingisi yizini I knew you since 10 years ago. Yes. Ushade sisingisi sikushiya eGhostini emaphoyiseni ukuthi bathini bethu. So no but mina yabo kuleya question yami bro ibuqondile kakhulu le mpahla yama artist ukuthi ungashintshi kwa uphendule kamnandi bengeke ngicabange le yampahla umuntu vele wayijulela uvele waba sesayidini lama business owners let's instead because kwesinye isikhathi bethe into yokuzwela abantu eyibuyigcilaze but baningi abantu abanethalent but uqinisile abantu kumele beyiveze. So mina bengibuza wena ukuthi wena njenge artist phethelenzi hip hop yipi indlela ngoba konke amashow akhona eThekwini uhlala ukhona amashow amaningi
Sure.
but ukuze ufike lapho ukwazi ukuphusha ukuthi
Sure.
nombani owenza i-event ye-hip hop kumele ngicabange and stuff usebenzisa iphi indlela because ukhona kwi-social media you always post nani but ngeke ngisho ukuthi une-followership but people do know you again yabo so akuyona i-social media guru nani usipanisana kahle ukuthi ufinyelele lapha endlebeni zabantu bazi ngawe and stuff.
Sure. I think mina into engayisebenzisa nje ukuthi ngifike nje mfethu endaweni like ingoma yami yokuqala eyaqala ukudlala nje in public places kwakhona ingoma kuthiwa medicine ngayisendela because amolefaka ngibazi uWabli, T-Bag, uStanky, uMitch.
Awufisa ufika nje usuwazi abantu abamoja
Sasikhamba nabo bonke nje.
umzela abantu abamalile abantu abangakusiza la
Bese bakamfake. But thina basisho futhi position.
Sure, it was.
Yeah.
But yeah, but like we used to crop with them back then. So
Stankwa
yeah, mfethu.
awustenke ngisaba nembuzo ukuthi
Excellent. La eThekwini abantu abaningi babecrapa nje yabo. Ngambuka manje ungasho kodwa
no Shepherd ekhaya.
hayi ngemdala uShepherd
Siyaphila ubani obatshele sile ukuthi no Shepherd ekhaya. Captain Qondile.
lapha eSontweni. Sasikhamba naye lapha eSontweni uShepherd.
yenze le
Wayishaya ikwaito eCrab uShepherd lapha eSontweni.
mina ngazi izitori zaShepherd nge-apartheid esiza ngeke lo muntu laseyakrab babuya lapho watramba igoleyona. So yeah sila stop lapha expanding kwakho njengoba ushilo ukuthi i-track yakho yokuqala
Sure.
kwaba nabantu abakanje la
Aniko Olova bafika eklabhini bayidlala bayincane.
short
In fact,
that's ama hip hop DJs.
yeah, I sent them emails. I tried to be as professional as possible.
Usestaveli
Ngathola ama-email Olova.
send ama-email
Oh, because dog, it was
2000 ba
nah, that was like around 2014, 15. Yeah, it was around that time. Send ama-email Olova bayizi ngoba bayincane bayidlala eklabhini. Bathi beyidlala, I think ngafika kwi-F Inc stage sokuqala ngaperforma kusona kwakuyi-F Inc. Nakhona ngiperforma kanjani kwi-F Inc njengoba ngifika uWabli uyadlala ngathi ngithikithi ngangena ngabona uWabli edlala ngathi uthe uWabli iphethe ingoma yami athe ngihamba ngaya backstage uLV uyi-MC ngiyamazi LV na uphuma lapha kwiCrab sathi LV awuthi Mike ngifuna ukushaya nje into encane wathi ifaka ingoma yami uWabli ngangena stage ngashaya ishandisi yami nganquma wancanya uLava wangibooka for the next one and then from there it's just been because now sengiyabazi all over then ukukhuluma nabo all over.
And that was one of the biggest hip hop shows.
Yeah. And that was at its prime, dog. Like kwangafanele ngibe lapha. Sangena nje ngafika nje stage ngathathi ngangithi futhi uzongixosha kanjalo. Uyafika sengena stage. Kodwa ngoba ithembu so asixoshana wakuthaya yabo.
Kodwa mase session nayo bethi hip hop bethi yaba ne-era yayo.
Yes,
Serious with that. I mean
serious beat. Ngiyakhumbula bethi kunama Omars, ama hip hop show amaningi. Akole ya era u-Abdus.
there was Good Saturday, there was Pop Bottles, there was F Inc. all in the same year.
Yeah.
Nje, there was
but
major
ama
hip
show
hop
bethi
events,
awekho
mother of
ama
all
show-
parties, all of that
Awekho
stuff.
ama-show ayigcwala njengama-hip hop show back then. Ekwakucwala thina sasibuye siyela ukuthi ama-hip hop show ayiphatha ama-chair amoja yabo. Uthole ube yinika ngokuthi ubuye opaya abantu nje. Abamoja yabo. Gcina usungacela. Ngeke uye futhi ngeke uye 4 months ugcina usuyinika but uma ukuthi udrayisile lokushini impahla uyigqokele esithaba. Dok uma uyigqokele usasebenza.
Makukule back then, khona le show ayishala lapha ePhava. Kathi kusakhamba.
Sephava phe.
I think that show he made about 20 rand ungena kule show. I think that nigga made about 40K from that show. Yeah. That's how packed it was.
Ngaleso sikhathi cabanga
Ngaleso
ukuthi rand abazokhipha
20 rand.
No, yeah, hip hop was big back then.
Yeah, ayinayo area
Kwenzakalani
yayinto.
bro?
No, it's just I mean that was Crump though.
Nah,
Era
now
yokudansa
music.
le.
Now,
music.
but music.
Yeah,
Yabona
yabona.
era
Kodwa yabo ngathi
u-Abdus.
sekufika ukudansa.
Cha yini.
Phela kwangena
Yazi
khona
uma ubona
ingane yabo
Smith,
saqala saqwa ama babes ama babe
sasigqoka ngokufana
no
so.
ice cream.
I-DC isuka lapho
DC,
mzukwane.
yeah, from the
Isabambelela nga. Mina sangispontile ke kama rompa izinto.
Ngayibadala.
Oh, namjishayile. Kata phela mina yani ka. Manje kayizo nje ubuyiNazareth wakavumela ukuhlamba ngamasabatha. Wayoklapha amasabatha. Umdanso oshisayo.
Kapha ngeenyawo.
Nazareth ekizako mina.
Yeah, Shepherd. Shepherd. Lapho Kosteli itime elimbambe Trump ethulukile. Kanyiso. Ungayithatha imdanso eshisayo ngesabatha. Ayithulukeli yakini.
Siqhatha abantu kahle.
Simiso wait, okay, Celestial Mike. By the way, Celestial Mike igama lakhe, stage name, its rap name, mina ngibiza ngoSimiso ngoba uyiHotman mina ngikhule naye kodwa bese ngisho ngikhule emva kwakhe lokhu naye kumuntu omdala. So ngifuna ukwazi mina bese your first album or your first EP mhlambe ukureacta kwayo, ukuncanywa kwakho, ukubona kwakho ukuthi uflophe la, kumele ngi-improve la yonke leyo nto.
Sure. I was was a Red Book project. Ngayenza in fact ngaprint ama CD, it wasn't even on Spotify. Ngangidayisa nje kubantu like hand to hand. That's actually how I got my first song on Kakasi FM because I sold it to DJ Lab at some show. Wayincane wangibiza for an interview. Yabo.
And what busy because so ngihlezi ngiphambana nawe ngikakasi.
From that one CD that I sold to Lab because that's what impressed him. Lo mjita lo angimazi to Kamuke Chesterfield une CD engoma ezu16 ine cover iphelele yabo. He wasn't ama-rapper sometimes ayithatha izinto zawo serious. So nje ukuthatha serious kancane nje mfethu print ama-CD wenze nani nani. So that project, I mean, I put in a lot of work into it. Ngayidayisa bayithenga mfethu olova yabo nje mfethu umuntu waphila nje ngayo kancane nje, you know, for a while until niggas stole it. But bashintshe ibhokisi elama-CD, they broke into our flash.
Uyayithola ngoba babezomfonela befuna ukumdayisela.
No. Sasesithawa. Kwatshontsha ama-CD because no script.
Namajita seChesterfield ayantshontshelwa.
Script and also just album. Basitshontshelana no script. Ama-album ethu ayisemabhokisini siyafika nje siphume eclubini siyoperforma siyitshe
Ama-CD
that's khona ama-CD kumele siwadayisa kusasa khona lo bathe bafuna ukuthenga. Siyafika endlini mfethu. Amabhokisi awekho, i-laptop le bese recorda kuyona ayikho, ipika. Nah, niggas stole everything basically.
Abangihambe nevesi lakho ongakalimemorize usana yabo.
Nala aphimi Mr. Bamba nale ngidayisa nale ngingakayidayisi bahamba nayo.
But nino scripts ifethi nisuka ku nama OJ hip hop kahle kahle la yabona umjiji njengoba ekhuluma ukuthi uAce impethu ba iadvise ayiniki intwana iphi ukuthi khohlwe indaba ama OG bekulodi ngimbuka cause akazi ukuthi wena kule situation wena iOG. Manje beyisho nje mina hayibo phethu. Uthini ke razo kwirazo. Kodwa but wena but the good part about you nah strips
Yeah.
nama OG let aduyisho ukuthi uphethu kumele uhambe
Ayihloniphi
izinto
into.
ziyashitsha exactly
You must respect. Yabo
impahla ukuhlonipha into nanokuthi ne-style asazo at that time niyakwazi ukuthi ekuse
Yabo nje-
singakwazi ukuthepha la
yabo nje lento show bra yabona and lento I show it starts from it disrespect your OG while isa kwi position enkulu yabo muyihlonipha nentwana uzokwazi ukubuya kuzona njalo. That's why uRicky Rick is always down with the kids. Malum Cookhead ayikho intwana emxaba Malum Cookhead la eThekwini njalo mebuya la all the new kids is gonna make music with them, is gonna do things with them. Inhlonipho nje mfethu noma umdala because bazoyifunda when if you disrespect them then they're not gonna respect you, you know.
okay mhlawumbe wena njengelokishi njengomuntu uphuma elokishini mawucabanga le discipline iqhamuka because mina nginakho okunye ezinye izinto when it comes to
Qhamuka khona iyashaya impama elokishini nje yami.
hayi i-hashtag vele liyavula but mina nginako ukubuka ezinye izinto kulama clotman akhulile mase yaqumba because thina sikhulele elokishini angisho ukuthi mhlambe ukhulele elokishini kuntswempu but ubu-17 kwama-reaction amarazo amaningi buningi awukazi uyibona irazo entswempu ukuthi le razo ngiyayidinga but iy'mpanza le razo
Maningi.
yabo indlela e-reacta ngayo indlela ebhamba ngayo bethu yabo nendlela ey'hendlisha ngayo because as much as usho mfethu fangabe mfethu wena uphakeme mfethu ngokwe-hip hop ngokuba nswempu kwakho and stuff so ayikho kaze kwenzeka ukuthi khona intwana eqhamuke phambi kwakho yavele yapopa fast uthothi nakhona mhlawumbe benibambelene kodwa nje kwenzeke ngamandla evele ubone seyibule intwana ngathi bizofuna i-feature engathi kuzoba yimina ufuna i-feature manje ayikazi kushaya lo mpahla.
No, I think it happens, man. I mean, I'm a generator, I find, but it is never happened. Ngale ndlela ukuthi mhlambe sengizomdinga kanjalo if vele besosebenzisana so umuntu phopa vele ingoma sesinayo yabo sesine EP yonke kwabanye nje ulokhu nje when he went to Joburg we had a whole EP with him and stuff like that, so it's easy to work even namanje, you know, with
Sele
people like
track
that.
endala siza.
Yeah, and like I'm even ingoma ezintsha, but if you maintain your relationships nje better make sure ukuthi abantu batreatane ngerespect. I think leyo ndaba umuphakama and kulula kanjalo ukuthi mangabe imali inyuka nawe vethe ikhanda likhulu elibe likhulu yabo nje vethe uzizwe nawe umalume usomaqhuzu yabo ufuna ukupheya nawe kulabantu ababebhampela ilula
Baphela abarogi bethu nabazocela manje.
lo muntu lo wayebhampela akasekho.
Ayikho intwana mfethu onakho ukuthi okay le ntwana ipopile ziningi intwana ey'nswempu mfethu khona uSimamani uTony Diamond nikwi-industry eyodwa amajita amaningi mfethu mina khona intwana engigcwala ngayo ubani khona intwana nezandla ey'mfishane inja yami ubani ushaye wesimbi awumpayizelo awumpayizelo funame
Awuthwephi la.
ngihamba kanje
Awuthwephi.
Ghosti kumshayi beniyinokishi kakho egcocile ngithandani
Inja anyanisi.
ngibone kwi-jacuzzi kanje lenza amasimbane ye manje akukhomba ukuthi uzokhishwa yashimlika phela leya mpande ngifeni yamshayi-ke kuyi-ghost lyrically nginokubamba ukuthi khona ama-track if ayengabe kubaningi abantu abangamfeaturisha phethe eJozi abantswempu yabo abasuka la eDubane and stuff so wena azikho intwana obukayo ukuthi because mina nginabo abantu knowing your hip hop ukuthi hey uSylvester Mike ngakhipha enye into nalo yamjida yabo for instance uyazi ukuthi ubani uKane Kid
Sure.
mina ngiyayibona i-track yakho entswempu yakho noKane Kid like for instance because of ama-taste eyipopheni ukuthi
Sure.
I do know ukuthi you can do something light but ukizone yakho mo spitha yabo
sure.
so awukazi ucabanga ukuthi akusazi ngayishaya i-track naleya ntwana mhlawumbe uKane Kid ngayishaya i-track naleya ntwana and stuff if kwenzeka ukucabanga yini nokubamba njenge-artist ukuthi ayi ngeke zobe ngazi ukuthi what if iyangigabha le ntwana yonke leyo
I think for me I'm a collab bethu isikhathini mina ngikwenza nge-relationship yabo so angikaze ngikhole unless kuwena ozofika kumina yabo and want to pay me for a feature. That's the only time I do a feature with somebody engamazi, but
So wena kaze ube khona umuntu othi ngiyafuna ukushaya feature naloya muntu ngizomkhokhela noma une rule othi angiyizwe.
maybe people who've been there, no one knew. I think probably people like AKA and them, probably, you know, AKA. That's the one guy that I actually would have wanted to do a song with, I guess. Unfortunately.
Bese usho nje akekho nje umuntu ocabanga ukuthi engayishaya itrack nosibani manje awunankinga but
Man,
like awunankinga mengabe bek approach but wena unokuthi ukuthi phela ngikwazi amarunze hip hop yabo
yeah.
angikwazi wonke for instance mina as a comedian kunezinto engaziyo ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ijoke ya Shepard ayisho la ihlekisa kanjani but angisoze nje ngiyicabange because
Sure.
kumina it feels ngenye indlela ukuthi le joke nombeka indakaza but akuyona yami yabo so
So, yeah.
angiyifeel ownership ukubhayitha akukho at all hip hop kwi-comedy fana ne-hip hop
Yeah.
but khona abantu engaziyo ukuthi njengoba nje ngenza one man show e-Playhouse manje or ngenza one man show by the way e-Playhouse mhla 26 June sizobe umhla ka usuku lesi-26 enyangeni yesi-6 ngo-2026 hayi story
Phakamisa usile.
cha phela mfethu akuqanje base isizoqala ngo7 angisifike sithi 6 mase ngishaya inhlamvu mase kuba 7 so yeah but amathikiti akhona so umuntu ozobe ngibhokha is my MC uFelix Klophe yabo
Sure.
so siyakwazi usipana kanjalo njami angishayela MC ngiyoshaya ama main show mina mhlawumbe ngizoklephula lelo hour no half so depend ukuthi kwenzakalani so kwena on your side awukazi ube nakho ukuthi beside kwama relations ukuthi okay uClifton uyamazi urapper kanjani usibani ayikho irapper mhlawumbe uthi ngingayishaya itrack no touchline but touchline angimazi yabo so kube wena oqala iapproach uthi kusey awuthi ngizama ukumthola lo mjida awi
Nah, dog, nah. I have to meet you first, or I have to know you first. Like I've never it's weird. Mina ku weird, mina umuntu engabazi ezongifuna yabo.
kodwa uJack ngoba khona sino Jack la endlini uNtswempu ngalezi zamabhizinisi
Sure.
yami nje ngikhuluma nje usangibamba ngamanye ama lecture serious check question yami bese umibhrunje bade ngibuza ukuthi akekho umjida sacabanga kuba naye check ushilo ukuthi uKeenan no AKA yabo wayengapisa yabo and ngiyazi lapho umunye umuntu uzothi ebethu umjida uqalisa ubani akashonga ukuthi uzonqaba ukuba nombani no nakasho ukuthi uzonqaba yabo uthe kuphela akekho umuntu anokuthi ngifuna ukushaya naye so wena Jack njengomuntu ontswebha ama advice ungathini kumebru mhlawumbe ukuthi just to open ama opportunities asitheni uyabo nomjida work but engakwazi ukumsiza ukuthi reach somewhere else nani ungam advise ukuthi engaba approach abantu noma izole advice uJack uNtswempu
I know, but before we go there, ne, I had a question, but hey, nani yakhuluma yes.
ngincheck nje sebeni siyakhuluma
Zila vaya disbeke sonto.
No, but Vetu, there's something that I want to highlight about mindset yakho, Vetu. Just listening to the stories, like selling the CD, you know, going on stage when you were not supposed to be there. For you, it wasn't about getting paid for that moment. It was about creating a name. It was about being out there.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people, they think the talent is all they need, you know, and they don't get that part of there's still a hustle behind the talent. There's knocking on doors when you know it's this door, the size of the door doesn't make sense with the knock, but let me do something about it and see where it takes me. Maybe just speak to that mindset. Ukuthi, where's that coming from? Is it something you've read? Are there people that you followed? And then so buyange advice,
Okay.
Thank God.
Sure. Yeah, I guess but into I pick up from abantu abaningi, man. I mean, even going to church actually, you know, as much as I'm not into that shit no more. But
I couldn't zokulanda.
maningi labantu phela uJack mina manje ngimWhatsApp uthi still at church unenazelo yakhe uthi nje bahlangana ne-couple school beno Shepard
Yeah,
yeah, I have my reasons for that we cannot go into it this podcast. This guy's us now.
I know, but answer the question by
sikhuluma ngomuntu osakwabhala i-Facebook Genesis
But that, I mean, like learning about faith and things like that there, you know, principles where like if you want to do something, do it. You have to do something about it. You know what I mean? So there is that element of just blind faith of if I go there, they're gonna let me on stage, they're gonna kick me off stage, all of that stuff. But I want people to know the song, so I'm gonna do it. I think if it's I don't know where it comes from. I think it comes from that. It comes from people around me, I guess. you know, the people that I looked up to, the athletes, people like Kobe and them, you know, they have those kind of mentalities. Kobe Bryant, I really looked up to him a lot back when I used to watch basketball. So yeah, I guess that's where it comes from. But yeah, just do it. Just do it, Nike. I even have a song. Actually, I said I have a song called "Do Your Thing." It's like it's my motto in life. If you want to do something, do it. If you're not sure, then don't do it at all. You know what I mean? That's why I ngadlali ibhola, because ngangekho sure ukuthi ngithembu ngalo noma kanjani. I just didn't bother.
No, Lando, that's deep. It's very deep. And I think that maybe ties to the question that you were asked, Uguti. You know, when we look at the world now, it's very integrated, but people don't understand to what degree. As a hip hop artist, you're competing directly with Drake.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if you think,
And you lose it.
and if you think, ngoba you're from Durban, so
Yeah.
yeah. So people need to understand that the level of competition now has changed. The world has changed. People have access to Lil Wayne on that same Spotify. Why am I listening to you? And it becomes something that we need to pay attention to, that when you realize, oh, there's Kane Kid that people are tuning into, and I have a similar style with depth. There's nothing wrong in shooting your shot. You know, I think part of it could be ego, or it could be timing. You know, you could be overthinking a move. But the people who win in life are the people who always make moves. You need to find that you that went on stage that didn't give a fuck if Elvis is going to say, I went, Sugala. You just knew what you wanted to achieve. And I think it's overcomplicating the industry. The game has changed.
Yeah.
Like, someone can make a bad song and that song gets streams. Like, people, you need, sure, it's like you need to define what it is for you.
Yeah.
You know, you could be someone who's just trying to create a legacy, to put out dope music, but that's not how you feed a family. If you're saying I'm going to feed my family, that means you need to come out of a comfort zone and say, I don't mind being looked down on. But it's, oh, this guy, now he's in my DMs. It's fine. Some DMs are going to respond. Some won't. Some will clown. But we don't give a, you know? Yeah, so let's put that in the forefront and go. Yeah, if it's go for those things, call that kid and go back. There's so much that maybe he wants to learn from you, but he doesn't understand. Gucci OG, how does he work? And creating those spaces for the up-and-coming rappers is also important, because they end up going the wrong route, because they're not doing these features. They're not tapping into your audience. You're not tapping into the new gen, etc., etc. Yeah, but don't overcomplicate it. Almost think of it in two ways. There's the talent, and then there's the business side.
Yes.
Business doesn't care. Like, it genuinely doesn't care.
At all,
Will it make me a profit? Am I not breaking the law? I get
Yeah.
Samba now.
So
So
the
you
second part is important.
sure then
These days.
you make it. Yeah, no, don't break the law. Push, that's what I'm just trying to get you to see. You need to be hungry. No matter how comfortable you are today, there's still more out there. There's still a need for you to be that guy that went on stage, that sold a CD. Imagine that guy that sold the CD. Would he care what Kane Kid or whoever's gonna say? He won't give a fuck. Also, Tina, this is my moment. This is my reality. I'm creating this. And go back to church. Danko.
But check out them ukuthi you won't give a fuck ngiyaqala ukuzisuka inhlamba noma wesingisi kodwa phela kanye sofuthi leshandisi bengizothi wena obuzo advise uSmith ukuthi umuntu wesingisi naye, so no Jack ungazi ukuthi why indlela ungasho ukuthi aka advise yimina lo portion
Kufanele
ngingazi avisa yakhe izofika ngamandla, but hayi ngiyamazi uJack uyighost ngale mpahla le njengoba ethe
No, but why kodwa yena ethi ufuna wayehalela ukucula no AKA kuphela?
cha akasho ukuthi kuphela.
No, phela bengibuza
But
umuntu.
uyiqinisile lo part captain, shuthi wena
Cha,
ungandlanga.
mhlawumbe ukuthi
No, kodwa mfethu. no.
Umbuzile ukuthi why
Ungibuze wena
ungalokhu
umuntu. Yes. Yabo abanye abantu hayi ukuthi angifuni. Nina nenze ngathi ngithe hey angifuni.
kodwa manje abarate indlela ophendula ngayo.
Yeah,
You can't bring yourself into.
mina ngiyazi
You know
isikhathi
how I
semshaya
create- you know how I create music, ne?
Sure.
Nge-studio ngenza i-beat ngishaye ingoma. So the only person engathi nge-studio ngenza i-beat ngishaye ingoma ewakwafika ekhanda u-AKA. Aze bafike la abanye ngibhala ingoma iziphela. Ngibhala ingoma iziphela aze bafike.
leshani isikhathi kodwa mawuthi uyayibuka isuke yenzeka ese studio i beat manje, so ukuthi manje ngizofonela okay iyabhede but kumele ufonele abantu mfethu
Yabo,
wenza
kanza mcabangela uSimamani
ngiyadastela
Awukazi.
for stage
Lozakwe mfethu la eduze.
hayi uzawuvele
Uzawa ngangamsendela ingoma uzakho. Kodwa agcina ethatha isikhathi sakhe.
cabela ubhizi
ngisho lecabanga uNesty Sifa ngalesa sikhathi sakhe before imabala na
aweke kuphendula leso sikhathi ha
no but i-OG lakhe phela
cha ngaleso sikhathi esapokwa
OG lakhe
I don't know. Nasty, not really, dog. Nasty's
Wena
been
ukhona-
with what he's talking about.
enkanyiso
OG
not phela OG
Yes,
we
give
era
that-
yabo
yeah,
onesisi
yeah.
we era yabo nesisi but kumenza ngamuva kancane imankanyiso kanyiso njengomuntu othuthayo
It's not Nasty, you say OG, man.
we OG we era yodwa na
Ubaba womuntu lo alunengane ubaba. That's OG, dog.
wayengahamba ama-poetry session e-DUT back
yeah, siwo-
kuleyo era actually
yeah.
nawe enkanyiso khona ubashuthi uyamncela kuyena yabo
He was there. Nami ngiqala. We were all there together.
ekwalera zaselokishini ayishaya iy'thombe usayintwana le kushaya isithombe
Angibukelanga kuyona no
lezi iy'thombe kuthiwa zisayogezwa bebezakhumula zishambe zayithombe zisayogezwa ibuye zishe iy'thombe zephansi kuthiwa yishini imali wabukela kuleyo OG wena yayubashuthi ngale ziyayikhathi ukuncane ethi ngifuna ukuba yilerazo ngihamba iy'ndawo ngathi ngisikele mhlawumbe nesithuthuthi noma ngebhayisekile ngiyoshutha iy'ntwana isithombe siwu-2 rand yabo yonke lona but then now afika usuku le age yakho usubashuthi omatured manje yabo uSimiso uNtswempu mhlawumbe ngale level ontswempu ngayo nawe manje yabo I'm sure nawe khona abantu onokubabiza mhlawumbe imoya ushutha umsebenzi omningi but uyakhetha ukuthi ngingabiza ba owaba abaningi mhlawumbe abantu babiza wena kakhulu so ngiyacabanga ukuthi le mpahla yakhe ukuthi umuntu asakamcabanga ayengashaya nayo itrack u-AK at that time mfambe kutshela iy'nteni mfambe kutshela ngumthwempu bakhe loyo muntu ukuthi ekusho ukuthi umjida untswempu-ke bethe shuthi uthi nje la akasho ukuthi ngeke ziyishaye nabo itrack but angayishaya naye
umthombo umnjani captain ngoba phela ekugcineni kosuku
ngiyakwazi
unetalent ne
Yeah.
and italent lakho ekugcineni kosuku ngathi lingafinyelela ebantwini abaningi as many people as possible because vele untswimpu yabo so then uma usungasafuni ukulihambisa italent lakho tu la amanye ama collaborations
usulimaza ubuthwempu
usulimaza ubuthembu bakho ngoba uzoba ntswempu ngakini ko captain uma ufika esithawa bese kube ube ntswempu kulamajitena anikhamba nawo siyafika egoli sekumele sichaze uthi no usileste the mic lo fethu umjita shepherd umjita
No. It's not that, dog. Like, I'm a little, I'm a feature ayenza, but that's what I'm saying is most of the time enzeka siyahlangana nomuntu, it's easier that way. Ingoma ephuma lapho is much more ingcono kunale ngoma le ezophuma ngizenzela mina ekhaya bese ngiyakusendela wena singena connection singena lutho. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to explain about that. I'm saying umuntu engakaze ngihlangane naye engaye ngathi if I send a song to this guy because of how I've heard him and the versatility yakhe aka ushaya noma yini, I knew ukuthi if I make a song, any song, and I send it to this guy will probably knock it out the park. You know what I mean? I'm not saying the other guys won't, but it's much better ukusebenza nabanye abantu, at least when there's a conversation before anything else. Understand ukuthi umqondo wakho ukephi, now I understand umqondo wami ukephi. At least a little bit. It makes for a better collaboration, makes for better songs. Now nje mase ngifika kwena ukuthi uyiphushe kuzoba lula ukuthi ngikutshele ukuthi uyiphushe because ngingakukhokhela imali ukuthi senze feature ne. Ngikusendele ingoma uyirecord ungisendele ngiyikhiphe ungayiphushi nakanye wena ngoba ungazi.
but mina ne-relation kuba lula
Mina ngine ngoma now unama followers, yes, you got a lot of followers, but you're not pushing my song, so it doesn't do anything for me. Ngikhiphile ingoma now, but awukazi uyiposte, awukazi wenze lutho, uyipostele into zakho. Mina ngilo ngipost apha featuring so and so, you know what I mean? Yes, I'll get those few people abakulandela abazoyithola, but if you're not pushing it now, then it doesn't do anything for me. So you have ungazi, like uke wakhuluma nami uyangazi. Akulula ukuthi mase ngithi akusese siphumile le shandisi le phetha siphusheni, akulula ukuthi ungiziphe, yabo?
so then how much power do you guys have as ama-artist ukuthi ingoma ibe blind ibe popular because in the lo show ngayo it's as if ukuyiposta kwami as umuntu collaborate nawo makes a huge difference than ukuthi ingoma ikhulele ebantwini.
every share makes a difference. Dog. I'm saying like if mina.
But uyayizwa indlela oyibeka ngako ukuthi wena uyenza ifeeling ngazuthi you guys have so much
No,
power.
fella, that's in the context of our conversation. I get the context of conversation here to Guti, you feature with somebody who can expand the brand, right?
But mina bengi-argue into yokuthi wena put yourself into collaborations because
No, I do that.
because then but indlela oyibeke ngayo mfethu yabo that's why
Siphunyelele saseyisi, mina
That's-
ngibone
yes,
mina.
yabo
Eh,
because
yabo.
yabona umuthi uma kubuza ukapteni ukuthi abekho yini amanye amajito ukuthi uma ushaya ingoma abanye uma ushaya beats uze ukuthi hayi ngathi liyahambiselana nomuntu owukuthi bese uthi wena hayi wakacabanga u-AKA kuphela
Uyichazile leyo.
Phela
phrase.
kodwa i-context yalapho bruv ubengabuzi nje nomba.
yeah
So bebuza abantu abathizeni who can
Mina
expand
ngizwile
my
ukuthi
brand.
uyichaza manje.
Yabo?
Yeah.
So mina ngikhulumela kulelo phuzu lelo. Angikhulumeli nje collaborate nonomba. I collaborate with a lot of people, a lot of the new kids actually, yabo?
so do you
siyasibanga.
reach out
Yeah. Shows wherever, even on like if ngibona into alisha into etswempu, I comment on their thing. If they respond back, isiqalile conversation. Sengine feature.
Yayilo OG
Yabo?
phakathi phethu.
Like-
Cha phela sengiyasho ukuthi vele phethu awazi phethu awe mshanama uthi phela silepule.
Yeah, dog, like it's weird.
Siyaziba lo mshana uqhobana esigele buka ngiyamzika.
And like dog, that person is not gonna push that song. Ngeke uyithole lento oyifunayo lapho. Ayikho relationship.
Unless
Uzothola
kunaleyo
i-feature-
kunaleyo lokhuzane.
make ne
kunaleyo
relationship. Yeah, kulula ukuthi ngikhulume la ngithi kusendlebe mfethu sengiyikhiphile le shandisi. Uma ungazi, even if uyanqena ukuyiphusha, uzoyiphusha, uzoforceleka, yabo nembeza uzokushana. Uyazi ngiyakwazi.
Nonkanye sebethi yena emajiteni angakaze ehlangane nawo. Umuntu angashaya naye ayefisa ukushaya naye itrack engakaze ehlangane naye u-AKA. But amanye ama-out akana noma angakazi like ukuthi akayisendi track singakaze sihlangane. Ngcono siqale sibonane sikhulume mase ngikushaya ngetrack.
Engazakhuluma efonini, kodwa mesikhuluma.
Hey, konta afuna ukisho ngiyambona.
No,
Ucabanga
mina
ngayo.
no. Ngifuna uyibuka ngenye indlela mfethu. Earlier we mentioned indaba ye-state of hip hop, yabo? Of which I think there's no one to blame except for you guys with hip hop, yabo? And singakhuluma sesifike la sithanda khona. Mfethu, now and again when I listen to artists hip hop, you hear them say I do a feature because someone's paid me, or I did this and that. I did. In most cases, you find umuntu artist they signed under a major record label, for example,
Sure.
and then bando umuntu kuthiwa A&R. Oh, yeah, I'm sure much amaningi understand A&R yenzani. A&R is someone ozosebenza kwi-record label, for example, and he's responsible. Maybe they're responsible for ingoma eningi ezenziwa la. So meaning unkanyiso gets to decide ukuthi uSelestial Mike as the artist to collaborate noba.
Sure.
You know what that means? It means le ngoma yona Celestial Mike ingoma kanyiso. Yabo? So ugcina usuyifaka kuma positions where you agree to all these things, but ithi umuntu decide ukuthi ingoma yenziwa kanjani yenziwa oba umuntu that has no talent. Yabo? I'm always against that thing. And two, I'm against this feature thing because uthola ukuthi hip hop ikule condition ekuyona namhlanje because wonke umuntu ulinde i-check ezophuma kusibanibani ukuze angifeatureish. Look at i-piano for example, look at i-3 step for example. No one pays for anyone. Yabo? Namhlanje izo-announce ukuthi first ne-studio camp endaweni yokuthi and there's so many guys abafikayo laphayana and they get opportunities bakwazi ukwenza izinto. Namhlanje eThekwini you don't find ama-artist hip hop that much because mekuthiwa kune-studio camp ese-hip hop kuzofika osibanibani nosibanibani because yonke into kwi-hip hop is about ego. Yabo? It's not about music, it's about mina ngitswephi kangakanani. Yabo? And then you find ukuthi sigcina sisiba nama-conversations akanjalo ukuthi no, I'm waiting for so and so to come to me. Naye so and so ulinde wena ukuthi uze kuyena because ama-ego. You understand lento engizama ukuyibeka? So ifika kanjani lento yemali before ithalente nanokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ingoma izohamba ngaphi because I don't think ingoma ekhokheliwe izohamba leyo ndlela because wena masusuke i-transaction siyenzakalile awusenendaba bakukhokhelile wafaka lelo verse twa that's why uzothola sekuthiwa posta phela ingoma because I-align lento ama-energy awa-align mina bengifuna imali wena ufuna iverse
Facts.
sengigayile iverse so kuphelile manje kanti ufunani yabo
That's why
next
there
thing
used to
uzothi
be a
umuntu
conversation.
yeah that's why omunye umuntu uzothini hayi mfethu ongiphushise ngikuphushise yini edenye imali shuthi because
Wanginika imali yokurekhoda ayokuphusha.
yeah wanginikeza imali yokurekhoda unginezanga imali yokuphusha izolona siyama-ego angamkhokhela usibanibani sekuyaxatshana isidingo asikho yabo ama-outside mfethu ashawa music mfethu mina ngihlezi ngisho angikwazi ukutshela i-artist ukuthi alicollaborate noba ngoba mina ngazi fuck all ku-music yabo ufuna ube energy usibani into yakhe une-emotion ayifesi ngiyayifeel into yakhe asenzeni something yabo if iyahamba if ayihamba ihamba
njengoba dash umebi
Yeah.
so unosayida nayo umebi.
isayida nayo but at the
Uyayizwa.
same time ngiyihlaba le ye-feature fee ukuthi eyani
No, 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 hayi leyo bengiyibala nje leyo. Mina
angisho
ngesinga-
Ikhona kodwa vele i-feature fee.
ikhona
Ikhona.
angisho kuyena
I will say this
Sengisho-
though, at some level,
Yeah.
it works and it's supposed to be there. But
Yeah.
trick mfethu,
Yeah, usually don't-
there's a very thin line between letting ukhokhela nalengadingi ukhokhela. And njengoba usho musu uyikhokhelile, ngafanele ngathini umuntu ekufanele akhokhele i-feature umuntu osayiniwe vele kule.
yeah
Yabo mekunenkambani that's behind you, you need to pay for a feature. But lo ongasayiniwe who's independent,
Uyayiphathela.
uyayiphantela naye.
Yeah, but le nto engizama ukuyasho angisho kwena sesha
Sure,
ungangisho
sure,
angisho
sure,
kwena
sure,
sengisho nje ema-outhini ukuthi uyayibona i-condition ye-hip-hop uthi yohlezi lapho because namhlanje iy'ntwana kuney'ntwana ey'nswempu kwipiyano kuney'ntwana ey'nswempu ey'shaya i-afro house 3 step eziyihlupha ukuthi mina ngidinga uphori ngidinga ukabza ngidinga uthukuzini ngidinga u-oscar mbongo ngidinga ubani bani ngeyirest engafikanga kubona lezo loo nto
Kodwa kufiki nombani angithi ukubona.
Yes,
ukuthi
but-
kufika
but-
lezi ngampela esekumele zibe lapho.
but angithi uyacabanga ukabza seyifika iy'ntwana mesethi hayi lethu 60 blocks sizoba nama-system-
Ayisapopu.
sizoba nama-system angakanani e-South Africa that's why kuthiwa ipiano kuyadliwa well it's for everyone badla bonke kwi-hip hop abadli bonke why because mina ngifuna i-receive kuba kwi-receiving end bese sengiku-receiving end kungisiza ngani loko sengihleli u-12 months doing nothing
Ukuthi phela futhi i-hip hop from amanye ama-genres it's different.
yeah
Yabo khona i-track owaziyo ukuthi ayi uJay-Z ngeke eshaye i-track nalentwana ya Will Smith mhlawumbe uJaden Smith yabo. Like into impossible leyo.
No, I think-
ngisho kakuthiwa
Yeah.
kuvulelwana iminyango kanjani. So i-hip hop vele mfethu i-build
around lezo-
leshandisa
Eh,
kodwa
yodwa-
kade uJack ukuthi angazi noma i-ego noma yini nani nani ngiyamazi uJack mina befuna ukusho ukuthi i-ego kodwa wabhalansisa ngezinye izinto khona kuzohlonipheka yabo ngathi mina vele i-ego kwi-hip hop
into zakhona
i-chain lakhona
No, it's very important. Every rapper,
Kumele
you
ibe
need to
khona.
believe you're the best rapper for you to be good. Fanele uyikholwe ukuthi mina uNtswempu kunabo bonke. Ngeke ube uNtswempu uma ungayikholwa kanjani.
but sikhala kubaningi
It might be a lie, but
say sikhalela
to
abaningi
what end ngempela mfethu because asikwazi kuhlala ne-OG ye-hip hop bese i-hip hop kwi-condition ekuyona njengamanje bese singaziquestion ezinye izinto
You gotta.
ngiyakuthola
do you understand mfethu i-OG ye-hip hop wena umuntu bekumele ukuthi asichaze mfethu like lama-decision enwathathayo nje i-hip hop isikanjena
bethi yazi khona ama-rap aqala nje bethi zibekwa aqala nge-war i-hip hop licishe ifane nomaskandi when it comes to i-audience yabo khona abantu abafa la ufa khona ngisho ubhedile ukuthi siyayizwa le track ukuthi hayi ngeke iyaganga le phahla le kodwa ngoba samafena Drake yabo leyo nto kodwa ngoba samafena Kendrick same applies ne-hip hop nayo ukuthi ebanokufa kwenye indawo la bafa khona and it all go with the-ego zibekwa nje uyabona ukuthi
can I ask something eseceleni
Sure, sure.
what do you think about i-career ka-Abdus
Think.
uSean G no-FEs
Eh.
no-Akhalicious what do you think about i-career lawo majita lawo
Yo. I mean, I can't.
thina insuna
Khona izinto engizazi mfethu yabo. Based on mhlambe ukuthi ama moves amanye enzeka kanjani. But all over there was a time where they pushed. Usually when I talk about mina I'm out from that era isikhathi esiningi I always say ngike ngijabu ukuthi ngesikhathi sabo yabo because bona they were before us yabo. Ngesikhathi sabo they didn't have ama resources amaningi, you know what I mean? Like I said, in terms of internet and all that stuff, ne?
but they are everywhere
So leon yaba affects, but I also think Uguma at some point and they allowed the game to change around them without changing with it. I think at that time, because a lot of them took long breaks, yabo, after some projects. I think lesos khathi lesabasima really affected emotion yabo, you know, and it was at a time where i-landscape ibisishintsha ngale ndlela ukuthi usungakwazi ukuyiphushela wena yabo because bona bafike ngesikhathi where you needed a label to push, and then i-transition la where you don't really need a label happened at a time where engathi isibakhathazile le shandisi le yama-label yabo yokuzama ukuphusha ngaleyo ndlela leyo, and then all that energy was already gone. and then by the time ilentuza igame isibavulelekela because ibone besibazi yabo if la eThekwini at that time you had a Shonchi or Abdus or there was an online platform where we could get that shit, they would have been so huge, you know what I mean, at that time.
Do you
But
think they failed or they succeeded? Do you consider failure or success in career?
I think they would know that. though.
sewuphendulela uyirap ekugcineni.
No man, I can answer that actually. I think they would know that. I don't think success or whatever in
No,
hip-hop-
ngokokwakho, khulile ngokokwakho. Because unestis ngavumelani ukuthi thina ube successful.
Yes, but that's what I'm saying. That
Ngokokwakho ke man.
Cha phela khanyisa unokuhlangana nabo abanye.
no. Besides that, I'm saying success in hip hop or in anything is dependent on you as a person, what you want. Angazi yini ababeyifuna ngayo, yabo? Based on how they moved, I don't know what they wanted from it. And based on them, kube nesikhathi la ngibone ngathi mina bebengaphushi. I don't know what they wanted from it. I've never done that. I've always been
Do you
consistent.
think
Whether
Drake is successful?
whether the rise is high or low.
Do you think Drake or Jay-Z is successful?
Yes.
How do you know? Because awubazi ukuthi babafuna. Because
They're
that's
successful according to what we know as success.
Then nami ngako ngikubuza ukuthi laba abanye ke why
Sebethu kumphendula mina uKanyiso ngiyamuzwa ukuthi Kanyiso wena njengomuntu ombalile uAbdusi uShonchi na uAkhalishiyas nani uyingxenye yabantu abadlala irole yokuthi bengabi nenyuka because labantu bazi bonke awukazi ukuthenga iCD yabo wawubadownload ubadamba so ngalesi sikhathi akumele benze ngaso imali wena wawubusy udownloadana nama tracks abo for free unike uRasta ama album abo for free bangaba nenyuka usubuza thina manje and uyazi ukuthi wawuyiphatha leyo wawahambisha ama shows abo
qinisile bro.
Angithi
Yabo labantu okhuluma nabo abalaleli, they are all doing the same thing in hip hop. It's the same question esayibuza uBeast. He said the same thing. Ukuthi ama fans hip hop iwona wenza ukuthi ningabe successful.
hayi hip hop kuphela
but
kuthi
say-
amajita wasupportana waza kanjani amawuthi pits nozola sesimdownload Shepherd ukhule ngozolo yayimalini
No, but
advantage
even ekuqaleni ngiyishilo lento ukuthi kabili. There's the side external engekho kuthina. Kathi ngikhuluma ukuthi abantu kudala bebehamba beyobheka umculo befuna ukuthola nisayenze leyo nto. Manje senilinde ukutshela ukuthi uba udumile. Bese niyolalela lo enitshelwe ngayo ukuthi wena udumile.
Okay.
Yabo?
So cela sibuye fast ku success ne? Because now khona iphutha esilenzayo. I-assumption esisebenza ngayo sisebenza ngokuthi i-artist ukuze libe successful kumele lidayisa ama-CD. Let's make an example kaZola. If we consider uZola 7 as a successful artist, abantu abaningi bawudampa umusic wakhe. Abantu abaningi bawuthenga umusic wakhe. But abantu abaningi bamconsumer kuma actor, bamconsumer kuma TV shows, nama endorsement deals are serious. So what is that if nina niclaim ukuthi success in hip hop only comes from people abathenga ama CDs, not you advertising yourself and then using that that platform.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see now what you're saying about Uzola, what you consider a success, right? Everything else is done is considered a success. Yabo lamajita ungibuza ngawo angazi ukuthi yini eniyayenzile. Wena ungibuze ngomculo kuphela, but you're counting acting, you're counting all those things with Uzola. So, but you're asking me about their success based on just one thing. But Zola's success, you're basing it on everything that is ever done. That's why I'm saying angiyazi ukuthi success yabo ime kanjani. Angazi benzeni empilweni yabo. I don't know what they were doing at that time, whether they were making money or not. Angazi. Maybe they were successful. Maybe all they wanted
mina
to do was
ngiyazi
just rap.
babengayenzi imali because amathikithi amashow ayo 20 rand
Phela uyenza masho kuphela imali angithi Uzola uyenze ngoku-acta nje wenze mhlawumbe khona ezinye izinto ade bezenza nabeceleni that made them money. So if all those things count as success, then that's why I'm saying I don't know what their success is. There's rappers like Stogie T, bro. I will never say Stogie T is not successful. He never wanted to do a club banger or whatever. Stogie T wafika irepela neband namanje is still rapping that same way, and he, according to what he wants to do, has been successful in that. You know what I mean? Stogie T ufuna ukurap and be known as a rapper. He's never wanted to be the most popular or whatever. He was successful in that. Yabo. Success can never be the same for everybody. If I want to be an artist known as just a poet type or whatever, ngeke ngifune ukuthi ngibe Drake because Drake is not that. So I'll be like a Saul Williams. Saul Williams is successful, but a lot of people don't know him. You know what I mean?
Angmazi now.
But yeah, one of the biggest poets you ever hear about in your life. In the current day and age, there's so many people like that. That's why I'm saying success is it depends on what you want. If you get what you want, then
nanokuthi futhi
I can't
Kanyiso
argue with you about that.
nanosikanyisa indaba thina futhi South Africa futhi njalo moya artist mele wenze into eziningi kuthiwa why ungazama uku-act mhlawumbe uyayirephela nje kuphela usuzo acta ngenkani manje ngoba sekuyaphoqa ukuthi wenze into eziningi nani nani. Hip hop mfethu shilo ukuthi ibulawa ama artist wethu amaningi.
Yeah, no, but this. I just want to take back to maybe shed some light on a point that you were trying to make, which I think is very valid. Ukuthi, people must understand the times that these artists were living under, and there's a lot that we don't see. Like I've worked close to someone who has a record label, right? And the way they create a record label, it's almost like I'm taking a gamble here on
Definitely.
e-talent. And the contract reflects that. So sometimes we can see good type, but this artist pushed so much and they're everywhere, but their lifestyle doesn't reflect the success. You know, again, that's what I'm saying. The world has changed. We're comparing someone from Durban with Lil Wayne or Drake. You know, we're bringing these names. We don't understand the money behind making these people number one. Maybe you think Drake is blind, but maybe that's what they made you believe. You saw him everywhere. He became blind. Drake has 20 writers. No issues. Like, I'm trying to make a point here, Uguti. This thing is easy to say, Uguti, this person there is not doing anything, but you don't understand the money behind some of these artists, the propaganda behind these artists, the way they engineer some of the views. There's a lot that is happening behind the scenes. You can look at someone and say, Uguti, this person is not successful because they don't hit these metrics or these standards, but you don't know what the contract is. You don't know what label is pushing them. You don't know how they're playing it in the background. So many of these artists also get tired, Uguti. I'm pushing these big numbers, but they're still giving me the amount we agreed upon 5 years ago. You know what? I'm not going to rap anymore. Then you see someone, you're like, this person, where's the talent? Why is not pushing like Nasty C? Maybe Nasty C was lucky enough to come out in a time where there was social media, where these media companies didn't put $1 million behind him for him to pop, and he could negotiate a better deal. Or maybe he didn't go that route. So understanding the times of the artist also gives you perspective of what success really means.
Sure. I mean, look, the Ambitious Record saga could be an example of that. There was a lot of people that got famous, but they were crying afterwards. You call that success? Songs got famous, but you're crying. You're saying you're not getting any money, you're not getting anything. So is that success? Like, you were famous, we all know you. What did you get from it? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I have a similar suggestion. It's without even sounding like it's a conneration. You know, they put a platform here is about educating, dog. So sometimes we need to have this kind of heated conversations where anyone at home or ozama the end that you've done also feel like akumnandi kuphela, because the reality is that there's struggles, there's things mhlambe nabo fethu one day abazohluleka ukuthi by understand or bayiphendule zibe clear sometimes. So it doesn't mean if you've walked the journey mhlambe uzoba nazo impendulo zayo yonke into yabo. The intention is to teach and is for everyone osekhaya wenza hip hop or mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi there's doubts in hip hop to understand which there's more happening behind the scenes than into abayitshela ukuthi iyenzeka yabo.
No, I appreciate this, dog.
Yeah.
Like answering the questions, you know, even for myself, basically, it's a lot of things yabo, to go through and think about. But I think we never really talk like this. Like usually clears kumnandi.
Yeah.
So ngibuza ukuthi ekuse ukhipheni.
Yeah.
Nginitshela ukuthi ngikhipheni. Anganje ethi ngikhipheni ngisazongitshela nje. Oh yeah, I got an EP, it's out. Say if you have bafethi iphumile yatholakala. There's an app called Zishep. You download it. Just follow me on all social media. R100 kuZishep. Follow Celestial Mike on social media. Celestial Mike mina ngedwa akekho umunye emhlabeni so ku-ZA nombani bani Celestial Mike nje. Mungilandela the album is out, you can buy it. Iyathengwa ke yami bafethi i-screen mahala. Ngithenga ngeclip nje mfethi igama la The Eminence. Yes sir.
Simiso.
Ningathi uzegama lesingisi bafethi ngirapha ngesiZulu. This is semagama bo Celestial Mike mase ngirapha ngesiZulu. The Eminence mase ngirapha ngesiZulu yabo.
Yeah, sorry captain. Yabo lo mbuzo kade ngiwubuza mfethu ukuthi I think yabo nje basile endlini sishaya inkinga ethi ayifani mfethu, ngoba otherwise ngaba ngikumention yami eCotswold okanye eZimbabwe nawe ngabe it's the same thing sonke njengoba sila, but njengoba sila kuchaza ukuthi khona le level esisantanta kuyona esingekayi reach. Ukutanta kwethu kulo level kuchaza ukuthi kunezinto esingekayiboni esingekazazi. And if we do not open our minds to those questions,
Sure.
and then ila inkinga iqala khona because sizostaka silibele sithi hawu untswempu sigoqane kodwa manje siyakubona usahleli la. You get what I'm saying? I'm not basing this question only on you, yabo, but I really want us to look at success ngendlela sibe open minded masiyibuka ingabi linear. Say for instance I'm a photographer. I can't base my success on ukuthi ngibhukiwe noma ngibhukwanga. There's an era of social media. I can do things that can make me given a advertising platform. Abantu kube ukuthi ba advertise kumina. Ngithola ama endorsement deal, ngithole ini. All those things then they are considered ebantwini ngokuthi mhlambe ziyi success. But mina nginendlela engidefine ngayo vele success. But sikune level ekumele sibe kuyona vele ukuze sibe hontantswempu. Mase kuzisucceedele wena ke ngokwakho. Omunye success yakhe uyohlala efarm nezingane zakhe, yabo, aphume nje emehlweni abantu. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
But I was asking these questions so that we can also push ourselves into asking ourselves those questions. Singayilimit because lamajite bengwabala mfethu. Sonke swavuma ukuthi antswempu.
I actually like that you brought them up. Yabo. And for me, as a person, it's a very difficult question to hear and to answer because ngiyabazi, yabo, personally, all of them. And we've had these types of conversations with these dudes, you know what I mean? So that's why it's also not an easy thing for me to just answer because I understand where they're coming from, where they've been, you know. That's why I even brought up isikhathi abalento ngaso. But it's a very important question, especially for somebody who's a fan of Durban hip hop, because we samba sibacabanga labo ukuthi akusepe phela thina sikhule fethu yabo besilalela osbanibani baphi manje, where are they right now, all of that stuff, you know. So yeah, it's very important. I mean, dudes like that are still making music actually, masapusha namanje, you know. But that's why I said I think that time where khona la ngathi kwathulakala really effective to now.
No, but mina goes to lo mbuzo ngiyawubuza na ku Shepherd. Kuthi abantu bayakuvuma bathi untswempu, but bro, I'm untswempu ngani? Let's go fucking do something. Hambe go be international. Asikwazi kuhlala 10 years after kulibele kuthi Shepherd untswempu. Uyazi no problem uthethe uyazi. Those are the questions that we need to ask ourselves.
You need to,
Because manje sizoba ntswempu bro. Captain awuntswempu captain. Ngani?
Eyo nto angisho kulutha kuthiwa captain awula untswempu ngathi ngitswempu ngani ngingadlile ngiyalutha la.
Tatena litai la udomduzele
Lenza mafethu ke fethi either in podcast ke seningakhala ngobutswempu. Hayi inswempu. Njena mina lalela mawuthi. Shaya sesizando.
Sisashoda la ngefeni sajuluka la.
Utswempu ngiyona inyuka kuphela phela. Ubutswempu khona ibox oyibonayo ukuthi lo mjito usana 16 untswempu. Sure. Akafinyeleli lapho kodwa uyambona ukuthi uyaphi. So i-podcast yeni futhi mesikhuluma ivari la eSithawe dubane lonke quality wise mhlawumbe singakhuluma ngokunye khona ozocaya begcwele amajita akhuluma sithanda into engafani. Quality wise futhi timing yenu esokuqala nama out yabo. Ukuza kwami la mina futhi last time 3 weeks back or something ngicabanga siyisabelela namajita ngithola isponsor songisponsorisha for ishow yami. Hayi futhi sibonge lapho uShepherd lo debatsheli ni support intwana. So fethu shout out to Metropolitan futhi ithola sponsor from Metropolitan. Niyazi insurance company nantilo nezinto eziningi bebe ngcwabani bebolekana ngeimali kuningi nama ngathi
Ithemela sifana lapha.
Kondi bathe beshayisa mina ngathi ngikuthweni abangcwaba ndinda ndodaya. So futhi angipartnerishe no Metropolitan throughout i-varsity tour yami. Comedy show lese playhouse umhla ka26 enyangeni yesi6 ngo2026 sobe kule hlanu iqala ngo7 I story so nakhona abangisupportile right now ngizoqala nje bethi ngomhla ka7 May eDUT. I'm doing my first Real Talk Men's Conference now men's conference iphela elandelayo ngomhla ka13 eCoastal College kanjalo maningi awukho maningi awu4
Maningi 4
uzana ba uqinisile phela but nje all in all bafethi ngakho ngisho ukuthi ngincoma le podcast cause le yankulumo sibe nayo mhlambe 3 weeks back and nakhona besingacomplain umuntu besikhulumela kwakhona umuntu obonayo wancanywa wathi fethi azi isha because uyacathi umuntu wabona iclip le and yayipostwe yinina ku platform ye so kugodwa lokho fethi ever since umuntu wayiqala shani sikunzima ukuchaza ufika kodwa la kwakho into ehlangana nayo so ngokwami ni best podcast
Asakubongela mfethu. Yazi ukuthi mfethu ngaphandle ukungena emlomeni mfethu into esihlezi sisho thina mfethu uyazi uthi yabo i-podcast yokuthi sishintshe impilo zabantu hayi ukukhuluma indaba zabantu yabo. Sometimes imibuzo iziqinile kanje because you know sinokuba nama conversations sisodwa. Mina I had a conversation namajita atshela say bafethu since i-podcast yaqala I can see the change even on myself yabo. In terms of numbers following none but it means nothing to me because ekugcineni ayingenze lutho lo nto yabo. Kusizana ukuthi le ngithi hayi no nama followers amaningi yabo 3 podcasts but there's fuck all yabo because yazi uthi wenze njani ngihamba le emgaqweni utshela ukuthi blind kwabantu bathi blind yabo uhlangana nomuntu athi umuntu mfethu blind eshandiseni mfethu blind ugcina ukuthwele la ekhanda now next thing mina nginamoto next thing sengisaba ukuma la egate la
ngoba blind
ngoba ngiblind akumele ngimegate and 2 ngihambela mfethu ngishayela iskin sami no phaqo sometimes ifune
sekumele ushawe into yakho
uyawuseshaya into yethu kanye sakwazi ukusuka ngeenyawo la e-Starbucks ngoba ublind bamtshelile ukuthi ublind yayizwa lento lo so usizwa sifuna ukuyiquestion lento because angithi lento iqala ingene kanje kuwena ingena kanjalo ugcina usuyikhola ugcina usuyikhola ukuthi ublind kanti mangabuzo thina mesithi first la siyexoxeleza ama artists ringivari ibhlungu injalo uzoyigwinya mfethu yayizwa lento ekugcineni ukuba ufika ngala wasichaza istori sakho uthi mina nami ngiyazi ngiyayidwanguzelela nje mfethu ngihamba wanene angiyathimu nani
uyayishizilela exactly
yabo ngoba mina ku social media bazi ukuthi undlebe efanele une team nani nawo zonke lezo zinto so thina siquestiona lezo zinto ezama out uthi singagoqani asifuna sihlale phansi siyikhuluma indaba siyiqede then mawuphumula phandle sithi lusaxayekile
sayinto eyodwa
yayizwa lento le nayi inhloso yethu hayi ukuthi ofuna ukuthi mfethu entweni oyishilo afuna ukuthatha wena athi hayi ngiyokhanda ibeef okwakhe bro uzoyidla yedwa yayizwa lento le thina besihleli la hayi sinasikhathi
umuntu welalelo Abdus okwakhe uzoyidla yedwa
yabo bese gcineni mfethu sizokwakhana first la yabo sizokwakhana abantu bazom-understand useleshal abanye bethu bayamazi yabo simlalelele kakhulu mangabe sebemazi bazombona bamngcazela mebephuma ngaphandle bayazayi futhi nalo futhi ethu celestial mic uhamba ijene kanje bangene bawumlalela bemlalela ofuna ukungena ku-EP yakhe noma i-project yakhe lelandelayo uzohamba wayilalela kuyamakha lokho futhi sekuphasi kwakhe nabantu yayizwa lento but ekugcineni ubatshelile ivari ukuthi mina ngihamba ngiphele la yayizwa lento leyo ngoba ekugcineni bazohamba bekubuza ukuthi futhi lo mshida ngoba ublind indaba engekho i-level ye-STC because ukurate umuntu oblind ayithe sikubeka ku-STC
and ichazile mpela isitshela
yabo so mawukuthi bona bayathatha lo abakuthathayo futhi abahambe nakho yabo futhi ungaloku xa kuphendula leyo nto you said what you said okugcineni buwakho omunye umuntu uthi kungabi khona into anezoleyo ukuthi mesekha mina ngifuna ukufana noSelishal ayazi ukuthi uSelishal ijeni yakhe kanje
so ukuthi futhi singawayindi ukuba blind
singawayindi
ukuthi blind yakhokha ama bills
yes back mfethu
baningi abadla bebhola kade benswemba bebanga kwi-PSL
that's why mfethu kade ngikubuza lo ambuzo eqaleni ukuthi thiwa kunabantu abablind eThekwini abaTalented but abanikeza chance abasebenzi ublind
ebspani bese blind la eThekwini bese silambeni siblind
uBram lo uyi-champion yase-Starbucks umhlaba wonke in the world e-Starbucks
umfutha shenyo
yabona plans endlini siblind but sila sonke
eNew York mungena e-Starbucks
ungena eNew York khona utheki
I don't know Cancelo lokuthi xa usitshela ngekhofi la nje lo hlanyisa ikhofi lo baba ngazi ikhofi
nomngezi ukuthi ikhofi individual nangu uShepard first uyakhuluma njami ilapha eStarbucks ingakhuluma izoma umlomo one day beyitshela ukuthi blind intwempu yayizwa lonto ubona ngathi abantu uyabona labantu first nami ngangatshela labantu first mengikhuluma bangangilalela uthi uyabona ngathi shika into yakho Shepard namanga yabo but ukusiza ngani
abantu abablind bane-enga because manje sinakho ukuthi lezi inyoni ziyazithwembe yabo
kodwa manje asibe
should be yazi into eyighost nabo bangekho thwembe
yeah
yonke into banayo bashoda ngomthwembe so bekafunda umthwembe
yeah
thina sinokuba blind sishode ngakho konke awuhloniphi awulaleli awutsheleki unthwembu nje cha animiyekeni-ke bethwembu
uzohlabona umthwembu ba
awufuni nokuqhoshwa yabona besana king ubuye eqhoshwe ngababambi wena sikhopha wokuqala usuyasibamba
engathi ukhuluma ngoShepard uqinisile
uzongqopha la
ayamasimba umuntu adila la
umuntu vele ubothi kusehamba phela uthemba uthemba lutho mina yazi into ebaselayo ngokuthembile ukurealize ukuthi abantu abangekho Nswempu they are moving forward
Yeah.
usele emumva usaNswempu yabo
True.
bereplace cabanga ubonke because nasebholeni kunjalo but umjida wangakini wayentswempu ngedisk akafika kwiPSL intwana ezayibukela kuyona ezafika zimle disciplines imiselana Semfethu cela kubonga kakhulu bafethu lesa sponsor ingitshela banginemali lapha ngibona ngifuna ingikhathele but bese igama lo yamjida ufollow uShepherd
Yeah.
usizwe Ntenza mfethu ngicathi uyi-general manager ukuthi angazi ngisibani angikwazi ama-manager abizwa kanjani ngey'gaba babona iclip encane kuShepherd i-podcast uyibuke yonke
Friends.
esengibizile e-ofisi sabekana esithombeni nani nani ngishaya esinye isingisi siyi-ghosting-ke lapho mangifayizeli
Awathi yasazi.
angifayizeli phela sewusuprison thina phethu khona ngisamaphoyisa amabhuni nanokuthi ama-ankele ahambe kakhulu iy'nkantolo so nokufika ecourt uzwe lelicala lisisi lonke utolika-ke indida ey'ncane so fethi ngiyabonga kakhulu once more fethi i-podcast yenu ngibhohile ngiyazi sazoba nama-relation unkanyiso waphinde wangithembisa siyixoxela kodwa sasiyiginqela ngazi noma wathi songishuthelwa nimenisho yami soyi-descendants magic sasiplane leyo mbhalo
Nakusebukeka mahhala
wasewancane ngathi sizokhatha wena alikathi khathwana
bafethu ukapteni unamanga. Yabona namhlanje ibhawansi unogogo ushaya.
No, man, thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
I have like few questions, like see Vala about because of his cats. Now, looking at what is happening right now, we hip hop and in general, you're born and your face, so you're a manje. And do you think it's okay for Machitafana Jungle species to always have a voice with hip hop? Because I feel like oh teacher abaning manje born abakhuluma hip hop. Ukhuluma to hip hop.
They should have been doing that, I think.
Yeah.
DJ yeni tastemaker mfethu. DJ yena fanele akhuluma kakhulu
Yeah.
Thina mesikhuluma sigcina sesidisana sesibeef. DJ akakhuluma. Yo DJ, he's the tastemaker, he's the one who plays the music. Fanele uyakhuluma ngempela uSpeedster. He should be. More of them should be talking. Bonke DJ fanele basigxeka mesibheda. Yabo bakuvuma umuntu nje mfethu. They should be more involved, dog, instead of just standing there and playing music. I think that's good. You should be talking.
So,
Awayibeka kahle.
That's so good, man.
Ngam-ethela
It's
nami.
very helpful, yeah. It's fun.
Ngiyam-ethela.
No,
Ngicela ukuba i-co-guest.
no,
uhep kani answer Shepherd
Ushepard uyazwala ukuthi wasesotshela ukuthi as we close. Ndiyona siyasekela. Sesivala.
Wafuse lapho. Na ubalile naye. No, that's helpful, bro. Yeah, but oh yeah, ngisho kona phela ngiyamniki.
Mahashule.
No. Mina njenge-assistant guest mfethu ngizophendula la yabo. So I really feel like sometimes ama-artist mfethu they get cornered into kulesi space so it's abakwazi ukuthi bayikhulumele yabo. So they always scared ukuthi if I say something khona ozo-offendeka and then isi-create beef nama-necessary drama yabo njengoba ugcine sekukanjena-ke but angeke ngibalithuba kodwa-ke asikho isidingo sayo futhi but ileyo nto leyo so I think nami there's a time where I even went on social media because sometimes kulula ukuthi kuspread-eke izinto and then they're not there to defend themselves because if washo something sekusuka umsindo yizo lento leyo so njengoba besho nje egcineni umusic or ijana lenjani liyadinga ukuthi ibe nama-comment abantu abazo-comment abantu abanjengabo uSpeedster abagcina befila leso space.
Yeah, I get it because I feel like also another thing they're trying so hard like to ukuthi bazame ukuthi be ne beef.
You know what I'm saying? Controversy,
And I think le ampahla ngathi ayisipani manje.
But kodwa baphutha
Nini?
Nah, I think for Speedster, it's just a series of things that happened that ended up spiraling out of control. Yabo, kuze kube manje kube ngathi he's this mean guy who's always trying to be controversial or whatever. This guy's name musumlalela kahle sometimes into ayisho lo mjidi beyikhulumela nje mfethu kodwa because of khona into eyenzeka then sihlanganiswa nale manje yonke into ayisho isi-narrative yodwa uSpeedster mekwasho noma yini yabo if he mentions a younger rapper he's an OG who's hating on young niggas ngisho athi right ngisho athi usho into eyiqiniso sekube ngathi uyi-hater manje noma iqinisile you know what I mean so yeah I think that's also happening with him. That's why probably it sounds like they're always trying to be controversial and stuff like that. But yeah,
I was also
sometimes they overdo it, I think.
yeah.
Ngathi ungathula sometimes.
Correct.
Say, okay, Dwana ngiyanizwa anijabulile, okay, fine. Uyiqhubele nento yakho, speak about what you like and what's positive. Sometimes ungafocus kaningi labantu abagxekayo, yabo.
Yeah.
But I think it's good for DJs because ngakwazi ukudisa uDJ, ungibhalele diss track DJ, noma uproducer uzothini again. Ngekakuphendule vele ngekasho lutho, you know what I mean? So we're all gonna look at you as a bully as a rapper. So they're the guys who can talk about us. All we can do is go on Twitter. Yabo sibadise nathi, it's a speedy boy, all that stuff. That's all we can do.
Yeah, also, but like my follow-up question is, does that work now?
Angazi ke for you. I don't know what his goal is with that. I don't know. Kodwa na bathole sponsor manje recently, so I think it's working for him. For his podcast, they got sponsored by Play Energy Drink after the whole drama with OK Swisher. So I think it's working for him. I mean, if he's getting sponsors, then you know there's probably something he's getting out of it.
namanye ama-rap ayawasebenzela kodwa i-beef ngokwethu ubig zulu manje une-track no Casper. I'm sure kwakungeke kube lula ukuthi benze anyway baqale badisana whatever baresolve bakhiphe i-track imoja kusana nakiso cha phela angayilali
But the beef no Big Zulu le ka Danke.
Yeah, guys, there's real beef.
le-tense
But kumele umubheka, I mean, AKA no Casper, beef yabo really
Yeah.
boosted them, you know.
Yeah.
If you look at also the Kendrick and Drake beef, that also really had a so amanya spy.
ayashibana mjo amanye ayabamosha abanye
Amanye abhethe depende kuthena I guess mhlambe nani nimeshaya kanjani if abantu benilalela no two bekwazi ukunicomparisha then it works because yabo zindala zombili whatever, you know. The whole background beef, yeah, Aries no Nasty C. Even though that one wasn't really a beef or whatever, it was fans but that for the fans created the buzz. Now my fans ayithanda leyo nto siphikisana. Mothi unganye wena uNasty, wena lana ndaba yakho Nasty C, whatever, you know what I mean? But that for them builds up their brand, you know. But ayisebenzi njalo dog. I think kwabanye abantu imane career mani phela.
mina ngicabanga ukuthi ubig zulu wayemtshelile ulo wayemtshelile uDuncan uthi bethi la as-10 uDuncan waqanga ethi mina uyilokisho xanga ethi angidlali ke njayami
What do you think about now power collaboration within hip hop, looking at guys like DJ Khaled, like Nabo Speed
Khalid.
Khaled.
Nami ngimbiza
Nabo Speedster nabo bana khumbula ngikhathi zokharakara babenokushaya ingoma eyodwa bebonke
powerful.
yes so what do you think about that?
Those powerful era of hip hop though.
Dope, bro.
We were shining then, like.
So why bengabuyeli khona instead of bapheke
I think abantu ngabasazwana kusabuyeleki. I think that's just the simple.
usimamana ashaya ingoma no Blake ifethu
Yeah, I think all of ngabasazwana nto just the simple like abaningi once imali gets involved sometimes as well yabo beqale manje kuchathelwane and all those things. All of abaningi abasazwana. I think that's why they can't go to studio again, collaborate, do all those things.
Wela kule nto ye-ego kushuthi yabo.
Yeah, ego at some point came to play. So
All right, cool.
because I know him and Slick aren't vibing right now. They used to work together as DJs, so you know.
Yeah. No, say about manje question yami la what is happening on social media manje. All over bathole inyuku badlele febe. Ithi lo.
Laba baboshwayo.
Abacande.
Ababo.
safunwa
Abasazoboshwa.
Safriz angiboni bazobosha ngithi what is your
Oh, kuyafrizwa nje okwamanje. Mfethu le nto mfethu yakukhombisa mfethu ukuthi mfethu yabona yenza into yakho and be honest with yourself, uyibhekele impilo yakho. Ungaloku ubheka abanye abantu envision impilo zabo uyitshela ukuthi abantu ba successful kanti bamasela. Yabo bantshontsha ba corrupt benza zonke lezi zinto lezi ama accounts ayafreeze. Wena nje mfethu yenza into zakho ngale mali onayo. Be satisfied with your life. Don't envy other people's lives. I think that's what I can say because
mama uthi bayabosha labo gela bademedla nabo imali abawaye bengaboshwa.
Hayi phela bayithole after.
that's nama uncle
no, but Nabo, their accounts are getting frozen. So I don't know if we're calling a babosha dog. I'm not sure. It depends on how deep yabo they are in the thing. Ma ukuthi mhlawumbe girl what they could end up being a state witness. Bangababophela ukuthi ba testify, ba flip for.
hayi kodwa bese ama-uncle bethe benama-fro besha ama-round i-uncle lakho uma seliboshwa liboshwa noma nimekazi wakho ngithanda lo dola
naphela iyake lalishaya iround lo
Back
untshontsha imali ngenye indlela futhi uyinika yena lo muntu lo bathengizile
kodwa sesengicasule nzalo amajita sengiyayibuzela ngoba nawe lo mbuzo uyakubasela and nawe ukubasela mhlambe la ngikhona nami ukuthi bayajwayela batshontsha imali kanje sivaleke kanje inkinga zingaka la kule khari bayancinza kuwena le yatsotsi le esizele izinto za 57 million wawungeke uyincinze le yanyoka noma hayi yonke kodwa akukho la uzothinteka khona
Inyoka kapteni ishaya yonke indawo. Awukho la ngishaya khona.
thina yini esibaselayo ukuthi sidina ukuthi babanjiwe labo 17 noma sidina ukuthi sizila kanje
no yazini inkinga ukuthi there is a lie that people have legitimate money when they don't. That's the problem. Inkinga ukuthi people are gonna go to people and tell them they are unsuccessful and they are broke and they are whatever, pretend like their money is legitimate when they know their money is not legitimate.
awuthi igwila zisho ukuthi siyahlupheka ithina esibonayo ukuthi
No, it's the niggas who steal money who tell you you're broke. Isgwila sinendaba sokutshela ngemali yakho. Umuntu onemali ayisebenzele kanzima. Afuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi unemali. Yabo? Ngoba manje lokumcelana nemali. Lo odinga ukwasha imali uzokukhombisa ukuthi unemali. Phela uzomcela mase ewasha ngayo imali. Asamse eclubini siyophuza utshwala. Nithenga utshwala obuningi ningaphuzi lapha eclubini nibushiye khona mase nayihambela. People are stealing money or whatever and they telling you you're a broke boy.
so umuntu othatha amamiliyoni nothatha 5 blocks esipanini bahlukile labo bantu
No.
noma
Both steal.
bayancinza bonke ukuthi lo department yakhe ayinayo inyuka etheni
Yeah.
otherwise ngabe uyayihlaba nale nkulu
Ushawa ibhodwe la indawo ontshontsha kuyona engenamali. Hayi wena ukuthi ukube khona amamiliyoni nayo ngabe awathatha.
so sonke la endlini bese sibe safe le yanyuka asosa
Oh, no, that's it for the wood. Sorry for listening. Yeah, but Mina, can I just? It's more of a point, and it's more free. When it comes to hip hop and it decline. So me understanding hip hop, it's more of a literary sport. Into okumele ukwazi ukufunda, into okumele ukwazi ukunderstand amagama. You need to be able to comprehend.
Sure.
So now in a world where like i-attention span yabantu isincane kangaka, in a world where i-poetry ngasalalelwa, yabo, even if you have it's musically worldwide, that's why Black Coffee they at the top, because the whole world is moving to melodies. It started with Orlando, Young Thug and all these guys. Sure. It's not really about the words and stuff, it's about melodies. To a point where now I'm a hip hop acts, man. They're trying to do house. Drake is trying to do house. Because everybody's like it's more for melody than the content. So when you like do you guys look at hip hop in that manner, or it's just okay, must bust the rhyme or Lando and hope it's the greatest and it's gonna sell? Because even about Jay-Z, they're all declining. Yeah, bro. So that was more from like my point and question also about in command and
There's an article I saw that said hip hop right now, before back in the day, the audience in hip hop had a very high IQ, but these days they have the lowest IQ out of most people who listen to other music genres. Hip hop is the lowest IQ right now in terms of fans. And that speaks to what you're talking about. Like people are dumbed down themselves. I think also we did it though. We kept, when they said dumb down, we also dumbed down and we keep dumbing down. Everybody keeps getting dumber and dumber and dumber and dumber until one day we're going to make music with just 3 words and because everybody's dumb. It's just going to be beats and 3 words. Hi, I rap.
what is that
I think though that's a global thing. We're all getting more stupid, bro. You know? This is what's happening, Doug. No, but for real, fam. We have a little attention span. People don't watch documentaries anymore. They want 5-second videos, 30-second videos. We want everything to be fast. Albums have 1 minute, 2 minute songs. We can't listen to long songs anymore. We can't listen to long conversations. If you watch a movie, there must be a lot of action. We're getting dumb. There was a movie called Idiocracy that was about the future, and people were dumb in the future. It seems like that movie is true. And eventually,
They won't even watch the podcast to this part.
it's a sad part about humanity, but we are getting dumber, dog. Like, yeah. Dumb and Dumber. Jim Carrey and that guy. Who's Jim Carrey and that Dumb and Dumber?
Akwazi ukuyivala bese ungashaya noma 16 nje mase siyayivala right?
Ayizwe. Before 16 bro wami, awuphinde futhi ukhulume about i-project yakho. Ungasheshisi, usipe kahle.
What's it slow? Okay, sure.
Otherwise uzobusa uthi wesala wangasizakala. Waphumula mvila uthi right.
No, but we're the spot. I never them. Sure. Perfect.
Sekale ipota.
Ngithukelana.
Sure.
Hayi ingane leshumi.
Man ngade uthuka inhlamba la nomngane wakho
Wena nje intambo
Ngoko yesingisi but judge.
But I find.
Sebenza kadlala uTupac kunalumharibe kakodwa. Kotelo physical.
Sure, Fetz. EP, it's actually already out now. It's called The Eminence. So, Koni Epic 2 is a shop, yabo? Is a shop is an app where you can sell your music. So, you upload a corner and then abantu bakwazi ukuthenga. So, you go there, you just click on the buy button. Then ubane option to download the music. So, you can download it, it saves it straight to your phone. But me as an artist, I can set the prices. And then, you know, it's a very good platform, actually. If you're an artist, you want to sell your music, you should try it out. But my project is called The Eminence. It's an EP. Yeah, I'm a part out too. So I put me part of Kala manje, 6 tracks, and then I put my any part SBD, which is 16 tracks. So this part right now goes for $100. And then the second part is also on IMC Pumi. But yeah, Tolala on Zishap. Follow me on, it's zishap.com. Zishap.com.
Socials.
Yeah, socials, Celestial Mike, Instagram, Celestial Mike, Twitter, Celestial Mike, Facebook, Celestial Mike, you know who cooks, Celestial Mike.
Uyakwazi ukuyistreama noma uyayidownloada kuphela ihlale efonini.
Nah, I download the telephone in.
Yes, sesingizimanje for abantu ngama-iPhone.
Yes, for example, if 3 of you right now were to buy that project,
Yeah.
I have $300.
So kuzoba nzima kulabantu bama-iPhone ngoba izohlala kuma-files kumele ulibele kuma-files uma ufuna ukulela.
I know there's a way around.
You can also play it on the app as well. On that app,
Jack ngicela umsize bese umkhombise sesiyitholile isolution.
yeah.
but
Soskela ngenkinga la sifuna ukudayisa.
une upcoming show Celestial bit.
Oh yeah,
Teddy.
I also have a show on the
Une
6th.
upcoming show uCelestial ngiyazi uyifeni yakhe. I'm pretty sure busuzwile ngayo.
Awushele.
I have a show. It's E-Wave of the Cities doing an activation. Ngomhla 6. Kahle.
Mhla 6?
Yeah. 6 June.
Zoom 6.
Yeah. So it's the 6 lapha.
26.
E-Wave of the Cities. It's gonna be at the Bistro lapha. Khona le buy lapha percent lapha phezulu. And then
Mhla 26.
lapha ngale 626.
Limali intikiti lakho ngifuna
Ticket lami ticket lami bethu liyiruji online. Nalo dayisa kuzishap. Uzishap ukwazi nokuthenga ama tickets by the way. Yeah, the dayisa kuzishap ule 50 and then 610 estabeni.
Okay.
Lela khuluma malini?
Ngibuza izinto akade ngibuza uCelestial. Bethe lami nje mlutho uclip isingili
Sure.
ikhaphuli u350 kodwa ngoba likhona leliya roach kulo ya 350.
Sure.
Shoot yabamba ukuthi mina nawe nama roach sisa kanje.
Ramaphosa nje. Mese phosile.
Fethu inombolo izoba mhlophe. Bafethu uqala support Chesterville. Show yami nomhla 26 June. Ama-tickets akhona web tickets abantu bayawathenga so ngicela nithenga ama-tickets. Nani bafethu la kwi-show. Ngicela nithenga ama-tickets ayi story. Jack ngizowenza
Wathi
ama-jokes
uzosipha nje nama-ticket ongena kwi-show.
uJack wathi ngingayenzi leyo.
Wathi uzosipha nje.
Ungayenzi leyo nto vele msizosela.
Supportani Jack.
Wathi uzosifaka ku-connection
Bese ngibonile.
Jack wathi kata usile wena.
Uqinisile kodwa.
Take machite.
Emauthi.
Ama-prayers.
Sha mfethu 16 mfethu before March.
Akahle phela into ngani ungasabi ingobe sibheke ngisho
Sure,
ibeat.
sure. Eh,
Shaka phela ayikho ibeat.
Hayi beat ayidingi beat. Sure. Ngiphume Chesterville. Inyoni isiko njengendwangentsha. Ithathela intombi idliwe njengempangela. I already got him going crazy ngeke nisangena. Plus ngeke ungithinta igang ihlangene. Yeah, the name is still Celestial ngisangenhla. Ngidla ngomsebenzi wasifune umuntu ozosiphangela. Asithukile ngabanye dog asimangela. They can try to second guess me but ngeba ngiqagela. Bars going stupid, smoother than your brain. Music so deep, you can feel the tune right in your veins. If it's beef, I ain't stopping till you got in the pain. Every time you look in the mirror, cause you can see the lame. You better watch your words, you wanna speak to God. They say I got anger issues, cause the way I beat the odds, I'm in your face. That's why I see right through your weak facade. Fuck a Elon, I'm dope, I already reached the stars, I came from space. Yes, sir.
Cheers asiceli. Sithobe shoda ke nyunga manje. Awopayizeli kama-sticky ke. No-sticky stage.
Elota captain.
Ngicela ithi abanye players badla bafake hip hop man.
16 omahla.
16 bars amahlaya.
Danke Majite. Siyabonga mfethu.
Correct mo jack.
Ungathini? Zoma seqeda ukushuthi